Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to Martyn Lucas Investor. Surprise show this morning. You were probably expecting me in an hour from now. Well, that's because the arrival earnings moved. They weren't this morning. They were last night, and all our schedules were thrown off. So we're back in the normal time again, and arrival is, as you can see, the earnings moved, but we are back in our normal time. So anyway, we can't cover the earnings. It was last night for arrival. We wanted to, but we were unable to do so. All right, okay. Let's get ready to invest and trade this afternoon. Welcome, everybody. Look below the video for all the links. If you want to share your favorite crypto on the screen and you want me to highlight it, you can do a crypto tip. It's martynlucas.com/tip. Go to my website. It's free. There's no gas fees. You don't sign up for anything. It just shows you one of my QR codes for crypto, and you can then send a tip on the screen and get animation and get your name highlighted and all that stuff if you want to join in and take part in all of that. All right, well, as you can see, we are a red day today. The studio is red. Let's have a look at our positions and let's see what we can do this morning. Okay. Here's our overall position, our main brokerage account. Let's go through our positions. We've got the S&P going down at the moment. On our main account, we're still up 5.76. We're in a very strong position this year, so we're still very good. We got as high as 6.5, 7. So we're a little bit off. We wouldn't mind buying some more, but we're tied up at the moment. Virgin Galactic, I'm only buying it when it goes down to around about 3. Virgin Orbit, it's being delisted. Rumble. Now, last night we bought Rumble and we sold it at the top. We bought it at the bottom. It's fallen a bit more since then, but I'm still up 5.14 on it, and we're looking to take another profit if we can, or add some more if we can. But that money is going to have to come from somewhere else first. Rivian is going down. We've been adding back in again on our Roth IRA. We have sold half our position. We took some profits. So if it goes any lower, we can start adding more again. Still at 1.6 from that position. Tesla doing well right now, 167. Now we're looking to take some profits. Sell 2 shares at 189. That's what we're looking to do with Tesla. Tesla is most certainly green today. Lucid only worth $6 at best. Apple trimming off. Amazon just trimming off but coming back up again. On my main account, I'm up 11% here. Really, really good. I've made $600 from Amazon. Really, really nice. McDonald's, Coca-Cola down slightly. J&J, very disappointing. I'm down 4% on my main position, and in my Roth IRA, I'm down 0.5%. So a little bit disappointing so far, but we've got great dividends. Remember, every quarter I earn $100 on dividends, which gets reinvested, not automatically. That's not the way to do it. I do it manually when I see the opportunities. Microsoft down 0.02. Walmart today is down 0.57. We are reporting Walmart tomorrow, and we're looking forward to that. So we're trying to get a dip so we can buy Walmart. Sometimes can surprise you with a 10% drop. And that's exactly what we want to get. Tesco, down today. I want to welcome all our guests over on TikTok this morning. We are very red this morning. Let me welcome our guests on Rumble. Let's see how many we got watching on Rumble this morning. We had the Rumble earnings. There we go. Let me put on the screen. This is Rumble watching Rumble. There you go. How are you this morning? We heard from Chris Pavlovsky last night. And I did the Matt Cause warm-up last night when he was being interviewed by Chris, the CEO of Rumble, all about Rumble. There's Eric B. on Rumble this morning. No one's here. Everybody thought I would be here in an hour from now. I cannot believe that this is an incredible experience here on YouTube this morning. None of my members are in the chat. It's my quietest ever show. It's like going back 2 years. It kind of feels strange. Anyway, there it is. Next Era Energy up 0.17 this morning. I'm up 2.8 now. Very nice. Good dividends too. Jason Fallon, good day from Australia. How are you? Good to see you. Bitcoin today down 0.15. Hasn't had its big drop yet. Still expected to go to 15,000. Tilray Brands. We're trying to take profits from this. Very disappointing stock. Promises a lot, never delivers it. But it's not down to them. It's down to the US government. And they're preoccupied right now with the debt ceiling. So Tilray Brands is on a wash right now. Yesterday, I could have sold it for a wash, which I nearly did. And I was very, very tempted to do so. But I want to sell it at 260 if I can. And lower my position and then buy back lower. That's the idea. Robinhood on my Roth IRA is down 4% now. Again, not surprising. This is what happens after the earnings. A week after earnings, you get this. IonQ, we did a perfect trade last night. We sold it right at the top there. I could see it was going to top off, and it did, and it's coming back down. So we sold half our position. We took in fact, we sold it all, bar one. We took a very nice profit from it. Hang on a minute. Hang on. That's better. I was looking at that thinking, no, I didn't. I'm sure I left half. Yes, I was on my brokerage account, not my Roth IRA. There's my Roth position. You can see I'm actually up 17%. That's more like it. I sold it at the top, half my position. It started to come down. So we want to buy some more on the way down. That's the idea. Canoe, 62 cents. Ford down today 0.5%. Rio Tinto down 1. Good morning, Eric. How are you? Lovely to see you here. Morning, Martin and Jason and Sensei. Good morning to you. Meta falling off, down 0.36. Now then, if you want to know about the Walmart earnings, so it's when is it actually? It's what day are we today? Tuesday, Wednesday. It's Thursday morning, pre-market. We're going early. Here is the Walmart earnings. Very, very important stock for me. I made money on this one before, and we're out of it right now. We were waiting for the earnings, and we're hoping to see a drop so we can buy back in again. It comes with a good dividend. It's a good part of the S&P, of course. It's an important part for me. So there is the S&P earnings if you want to... there is the Walmart earnings if you want to join us on Thursday. Pre-market. Now the market is very red now. It's going down as we speak. Let's watch what happens. We're trying to get some discounts. Let me go over to my Roth IRA and I will share with you my Roth. Here we go. This is the main account. Hey! Listen to this.
Sensei Crypto donated $0. Can we look at my website and share the link at the opening bell? Read through the plans page with all the perks. P.S. Please keep the XRP, don't sell. 18.541346 XRP.
You know, I've just realized why XRP doesn't show the value. I think, Sensei, I think the reason why it doesn't show the value is because Coinbase doesn't trade XRP. You can send it, you can receive it, but you can't trade it, and that's probably why it comes up as zero value. That's probably why. Anyway, thank you very much for that wonderful tip. Wow, it was very quick. It was 1 minute, was it? Absolutely brilliant. That was Sensei's Crypto this morning. You can do that if you want to feature your favorite crypto. So he's asked if I would share his website. So would you share me the link again? Are we going to change this? Are we going to change from your Discord to this? Sensei, is that what you want to do? You want to update everything to your website now, do you? If you do, tell me, and I can update things going forward. I can't update them going backwards, but I can update them going forwards. And send me the link and we'll take a look at it. I would suggest about 15 minutes before the bell would be perfect. Testing time. Time is 38 past. 38 past, I mean. Yes, it took 1 minute for that to come through. Very, very impressive with XRP. Very, very quick. Thank you very much. And now I can go over to this screen here. This is where the tip came in. You can see it. If I refresh, this is in the past. If I refresh now, you should see something else come in. We had XRP at 10. Now XRP's at 28. You can see it there. Look, these are, so the values change. It doesn't add different. It doesn't add another one. And then we can go to it. And then you can see the comment that came in. It says, can we look at my website and share the link at the opening bell? Read through the plans page of all the perks. Please send me the link again and I will save it. And if you wish me to update this to your account, then I will. All right. Awesome. Thank you very much indeed for your tip. And I will happily do that for you. Yes, absolutely. Virgin Galactic, Virgin Orbit, Rumble, still falling now. We want to get back in, but we're still up on it. Rivian, still falling. All the markets are falling. Still up on it. Tesla, we're not there to take profits yet. We're up 2%. Oh, hang on, in my Roth. Go to my Roth. No, we're still down. I thought so. Lucid, don't touch it yet. Apple, we're just holding our position. Amazon, McDonald's, Coca-Cola, J&J, Google, Microsoft. Let me go over to Rumble this morning. You'll never guess what, guys. We've only gone and done it. We have 108 followers now on Rumble. I'm very, very proud of that. Very, very nice indeed. 108 followers now on Rumble. Let me share with you. In fact, I'll just refresh it in case it's gone up this morning. No, 108. We finally went through that 100 in just over 2 weeks. Very proud of that. Right, there is your link. Okay, fantastic. Let me save that now. This is Rumble saying hello to Rumble. Welcome to you. If you want to come into the chat, I'll highlight your name here. And we'd love to hear from you. 108 now. Brilliant. Really, really good. Yeah, pretty good, right? In just over 2 weeks. So, Sensei Crypto. So, is this now what you want me to share, not your Discord? Just want to be absolutely sure that's what you're saying to me. Okay. And I'm going to copy this down. And if you wish me to replace your Discord, I will. So, send crypto challenge. There we go. We're going to update it. I'm just waiting for you to do it. I'm just preparing it in case you say yes, please. Okay. Sensei crypto challenge. Okay. There we go. That's now in place. So we've got that there. Brilliant. Okay. Brilliant. Okay, we'll come up to that in a minute then. So we're going to replace your Discord. So let me take out your Discord. We're not going to use that anymore. We're now going to use the website. Okay. Want to make sure we've updated everything correctly. Done that. All right, brilliant. I think Martin was right. Coinbase in US doesn't allow trading. That's correct. So I can't sell it anyway. I can't sell it at the moment. I can receive it. I think I can send it. In fact, how would I send it? I've never actually sold I've never traded any XRP. We're just holding it. I'm just trying to think now how I actually can, how I could ever, if I can't sell it, how could I do it? I'd have to, I guess, can I send it to another wallet? Don't know, I've never tried. I've never tried to do that because it's an asset you can receive, but I guess they're going to upgrade that at some point, right? Seems a bit pointless just receiving it if you can't do anything with it. Anyway, we shall see. We shall see, but I think that's the reason. Anyway, Walmart, we're looking for a dip. Tesco, Next Era Energy, doing nicely now, up 2.82. I said, just about to say Senzo Crypto there. Enphase Energy, much, much better. Now, I am up 4% now. I do believe, though, even though it's extremely expensive, I do believe it's oversold. That was an overreaction. I do believe it's going to come back up again. Even though, I've still got a good position in my long-term position. If I go to my brokerage account, you'll see I do have it's nearly 3% of my portfolio in my brokerage account. So I already have it there. So I could sell this for a profit of 4% and put $1,179 back into my Roth IRA. I could do that. It is overvalued now. It is expensive, but I do see it doing well in the future. It could be a source of funds for me if I decided to buy something. If something dipped. Robinhood has dipped. We're down 4.5%, but I'm not buying any more at the moment. IonQ, we're waiting for that to fall back down and add to our position. We're up 17% at the moment. Anyway. Good morning and welcome everyone. 76 days away from 1 million views. Our second birthday is 1 month away. Our second anniversary of a show. I'm trying to get it in 1 million views for my birthday here, the birthday of the show, not my birthday, your birthday, the birthday of the show. I lost a week though because of the computer being down and I've not managed to make it back up yet. Anyway, we shall see if we can. Welcome all our guests on Discord this morning. Let's have a quick look at Bloomberg. Any updates, things you want to share? Saudi Arabia moves closer to another Aramco stock offering. I was like, how do you pronounce that? Aramco stock offering. Some more breaking news here. Turkish corporate bonds slump to 6-month lows after election. We've all been watching the Erdogan election. And we've also got some bad news here. US retail sales increase in sign of steady consumer spending. We were hoping to see that coming down. However, it's not. Let's have a look at those figures. We can share those figures on the screen for you now. Here we go. This is breaking news this morning. Good morning, Queen of Self-Braiding. We had another lady join the show yesterday. Welcome to you. Retail sales. Here we go. Just reported a few moments ago. The actual is 0.4. They've gone up. People are spending again. We don't want that. Of course, normally we would love that. But right now we don't want that if we want the Fed to start bringing rates down. Let's read the news. Okay, here we go. Retail sales in the US increased 0.4 month on month in April. In fact, what we'll do is we'll make a video out of this and post it later on. So the time now is 19 minutes. 19 minutes. And this will be retail sales. Okay, we want to do this. So let's go over to retail sales and let's talk about it. Why it's important. Okay, let's go over to this screen a minute, and we'll look at the overall markets as well. Okay. Breaking news here on Martyn Lucas Investor. Figures just out, turning the studio red this morning. Things are down. We've got some good news, but bad news. This bad news is good news, and good news is bad news. You know what I'm talking about. Retail sales today. Let's have a look at retail sales. Retail sales in the US increased 0.4 in the month of April. Now, normally that would be great. People spending money, the economy strong, businesses making profits, great. But we are in the time of the Fed. Sound a bit like Lord of the Rings there. We're in the time of the Fed, and what we need is we need the economy to cool down so the Fed can start to pivot. They're not going to pivot. In June, it's going to be, the rates are going to stay high. We're not going to bring them down. It's more likely going to be a pause. But remember, if we have 6 months of a pause, that's like a couple of months of rate hikes and then down. So it's still not good holding the rates up. And this is the reason why, because the economy isn't cooling enough. Retail sales in the US increased 0.4% month on month in April, rebounding from 2 consecutive months of declines. If we'd have had a third month of decline, this would have been great news and the markets would have been up today. However, they know what it means for the Fed. They know it means we are still in a Fed situation where we're keeping the rate hikes high. And rate hikes high for 6 months or a year is the same as increasing them and bringing them back down again. But well below market forecast of 0.8 increase. So that's some good news. It increased, but less than we forecast. Sales, motor vehicles and part dealers were up 0.4%, and other increases were seen in sales at building materials and garden supplies in dealers, 0.5%. We were looking at Homebase today reporting. We'll go over to that in the live show today. Join us on the live show. Food services and drinking places, 0.6%. Health and personal care stores, 0.9%. Merchandise stores, 0.9%. Non-store retailers, 1.2%. And miscellaneous store retailers, 2.4%. On the other hand, sales at gas stations unexpectedly declined 0.8%, despite a rise in the price of gasoline, and sales at food and beverage stores went down 0.2%. Other decreases were also recorded for clothing, 0.3%, electronics 0.5%, and furniture 0.7%, and sporting goods, hobby, musical books, musical and books down 3.3%. However, the so-called core retail sales, which exclude automobiles, gasoline, building materials, food services, increased at a faster rate of 0.7%. So we can see how the market has reacted to this. It's better than expectations, but however, it does mean that the economy isn't cooling fast enough, and we are going to probably get the rate hikes stay where they are. If they go up again, that could be a possibility. However, if that happens, then the markets are going to really drop. Many predict that's likely. I don't think that's likely, but we can look at the S&P right now, and you can see exactly what's going on. We're down 0.3 today. If you'd like to join us, we have a cash giveaway in our newsletter. Every week we try to give away prizes and stuff like that. And this week in our newsletter, we're giving away tickets, free tickets for you to win $50 in cash. All you've got to do is subscribe to my newsletter. You can unsubscribe at any point. It's free. I will never use your emails. Just click up here and that'll take you to martynlucas.com/links. And there you will see my email sign up newsletter. It's free to sign up. You can always unsubscribe. And this week on Sunday, when it comes out, 8 a.m. Central, 9 a.m. Eastern, 2 p.m. GMT, there'll be some free tickets in there. which will point you to our competition page, and it's free to enter just by simply getting the newsletter. You'll get tickets, and then you will be entered into our draw to win $50 in cash. You don't have to be present to win. We'll contact you via email if you are drawn out of the hat, but we'll do it live on the show so you can see if you want to join in. All the information is below. All right, as always, if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please do, and ring the bell. And it would be very nice if you smash the like button if you enjoyed this. If you like me giving you money, if you like me reporting live every day, then smash the like. If you don't, then tap the like button twice. It has the same effect. All right. Until next time, take care of yourselves and each other. All right. That is the US retail sales this morning. That will go out later. Back to the main screen. Let's see who is here this morning. Keaton S. Good morning, Keaton S. Octavia, all our members are here this morning. The Queen of Self-Braiding, how are you? Lovely to have you here. We're going to feature Sensei's website in a moment. It's got a brand new website. We're very excited to share that with everybody. We're red today. Most certainly, it's a red day. Not looking good, but it is what it is. And we're looking to buy some dips if we can. Now then, the moderators here on YouTube. I would like to make you moderators on my Rumble account. Here is my Rumble account. I'm live there right now. If you could pop in, just say hello in the chat, confirm it's you here on YouTube, and then I can make you a moderator on Rumble. We're growing very, very quickly now on Rumble. There's the link. So that's for the Queen of Self-Braiding, Sensei. Who else have we got here? If Mike pops in, jump on into Rumble, please. And I want to upgrade you as a member. Now I can see GT Tyx, I can't pronounce that name there. Tyxera, I think that's right. I'm not sure about that. If that's one of you here on YouTube, let me know. And I will... we'll go and do it now, Queen. It's completely free, takes no time at all, and this is Rumble doing very, very well. We've got 108 followers now, growing very, very quickly, and I would like to add my members as moderators here to Rumble. All you got to do is go hello in here, and then I have your name, and then I can go into the settings and add you as a moderator, and that would be really great. Okay. Little upgrade there for my members. Virgin Galactic, Virgin Orbit, Rumble. If we can, if it pops up, that's great. If it goes down, we can add. No, the name is I'm just a regular guy watching. Keep up. Hang on, let's go back into here. No, the name really is Ty. How would I pronounce that? Will anyone tell me how I could pronounce that? Tyera? Tyera. Is that right? Or is it Tykes era? I'm thinking it's a silent X. It looks Mexican. I might be wrong. Tyera. I'm going to go for Tyera. And I apologize if I haven't got that right. But anyway, welcome to my channel today. Lovely to have you here. Thank you very much for supporting me. Appreciate it. I go live 10 hours a day every training day. And then I have my other Rumble channel, which is I'm Portuguese. You put what is your native language? Is it Portuguese? I've got a special treat for you then. Let me do this for you now. Hang on. This is a special treat for you. Hang on. Here we go. Welcome, my guests from Portugal today. Welcome to Rumble. We are live here every day, up to 10 hours a day, welcome to all our guests and friends from Portugal today. Okay, you ready? This is just for you. Here it comes. Hopefully this will work. Here it is.
Bem-vindo, meu convidado de Portugal hoje. Bem-vindo ao Rumble. Estamos aqui ao vivo todos os dias até 10 horas por dia. Bem-vindo a todos os nossos convidados e amigos de Portugal hoje.
There you go. Teixeira. I think it's the X is pronounced with the SH. So Teixeira. Let me see if I can get that to come out. Welcome, Teixeira. All the way from Portugal. I'm going to just correct the spelling. Let's see if I can get this right. Hopefully I can get this right. All right. And it's G, Teixeira. Teixeira. I think I've got that right now. Hopefully I have. Anyway, let's see if this works.
Bem-vindo, G. Teixeira desde Portugal.
Anyway, let's see if I've got that right. Good morning, Cherry. Welcome. Cherry is I'm glad you've come in at the exact right time. Right above you is the Queen of Self-Braiding. Queen of Self-Braiding, Kezia, can I put you in contact with Cherry? Another lady who joined yesterday, one of our new members, and she would love support and help here. Mohammed Swalam, good morning to you. If you let me know your native language, I will speak it for you. Anyway, there we go. That's a special welcome to our guest on Rumble this morning. All right. Brilliant. Good morning to you, Sherry. How are you? So the markets are down because the economy is still hot, spending is still up, and the Fed won't like that. So they're probably going to hold the rates high where they are right now. That's good for me from the point of view of saving on Robinhood. As you know, we are saving, so we kind of like that. Let me share with you on the screen what I'm talking about. You can see here 4.65 uninvested cash. I use Robinhood as a bank. So that's very good to see that happening. So anyway, Teixeira, if you become a member to my channel on YouTube, then we do special things for our members. I'm actually the World Piano Man. This is my TV studio behind me. And we celebrate your birthday when it's your birthday, or special events. We do fundraiser events, and people pay me $500 for me to make them happy birthday videos. I give it to you for free as a member. You can also ask us about stocks 24/7. I'll make videos for you, answer all your questions, all these wonderful things should you wish to join us as a member on YouTube. It's one of the perks of being a member. Thanks, my friend. I just found out this channel. I will keep following. We'll have to leave now. Good work. All right. Have a wonderful day in Portugal. I played in Lisbon once, and the Algarve. It's a wonderful country. Thank you for joining us. All right. So let's see what we can do this morning. The overall portfolio is just starting to come up. We are still red. The S&P is down. Virgin Galactic is up. I'm holding my position, only adding and it goes down. How much do I need to have to start trading stocks? Sherry, you can trade with $1. $1. Have you got a brokerage yet? Because what I would like to do is give you some free stocks. I think I've invited you before. I don't know if you've set Robinhood up yet. Here is the link. Right, in the chat, look at this. You can win between $5 and $200 of free stocks. Free, using my referral to Robinhood. This is what I'm trading on. And if you set it up, you will get free stocks. Okay, and then you can trade. Here, let me give you the link in the chat. I think you were going to do this the other day. I don't know if you've done it yet. But I started with $5,000 and now I'm at $55,000. You don't have to start at $5,000. Not yet. Well, you can't. What I strongly recommend you do is don't start trading until you've learned all the principles. Watch my playlist of how to invest. I gave you the link yesterday. But set this up so you can follow along with what I'm doing. You can see the stocks I'm trading, what I'm investing in, and you'll also get some free stocks for doing it anyway. And if you put some money, just $1, $5, $10, whatever, in your brokerage account, you're going to earn 4.65% anyway without doing anything. All right, so I've given you the link there. So that's what you want to do. All right, that's absolutely what you want to do. I'm going to give you the link again for Discord, because I noticed yesterday you didn't come through, and we're waiting to welcome you in so we can assist you, so we can help you. So let me give you the link to Discord again. And here it is. There is the link to Discord. And if you come into the welcome all screen, let me bring it on the screen here. We'll help you. We're available 24 hours a day. This is the welcome all screen here on Discord. And all our team will be here. If you come in, it takes 10 minutes for security reasons. Come into the welcome all. And then down the bottom here, say hello here. Oh, there's Sherry. There's Sherry. You've done it. You are here. You didn't tell me you came through. So Sherry, can you confirm on the screen on YouTube, this is you? Because I will upgrade you. Just confirm on YouTube that this is you. And the reason we do that is people pretend to be other people on our channel to gain the benefits, the perks, and so on. So in YouTube, just confirm this is you, Cherry. So I'm going to write it in here. Confirm on YouTube. This is you. This is you. Confirm on YouTube, this is you. All right, there you go. And then I can upgrade you. I'm sure it is you, but we like to be 100% sure that this is you, so we can not get any scammers and stuff like that. We get plenty of scammers as it is. We have to make, yes, it's me. Do it on YouTube, please. Confirm on YouTube. Confirm on YouTube. There you go. There's a reason for that, and you'll understand once you've done it why. Okay? There's a reason for that. All right, back to our guests on Rumble. We've got a wonderful audience this morning. We got 21. Shall we see if we've made the homepage of Rumble today? We made the homepage of Rumble yesterday. Let's have a look. Let's see. This is rumble.com. And yesterday we made, oh yes, I am number one. Look at this. This is the homepage of rumble.com. Kim Kardashian and Tom Brady are at the top. But if you scroll down, look on the homepage of the YouTube channel, number one on finance. There I am. Look at that. I have more people watching me than any other on Rumble. How exciting is that? We are number one on finance on rumble.com today. Very, very nice indeed. How cool is that? There we go. Brilliant. Welcome to all of you. Midnight. Way to go, Martin. Thank you so much indeed. Midnight Oil. So, Cherry has just confirmed she is on Discord. So Cherry, as a new member now, we're going to help you 24/7 with your investing and trading and answer all your questions. So now I'm going to go into Discord. There you are. You've confirmed it's you. I don't need to change your name because you are the same name on YouTube. Very, very important. So that's for security and integrity. But I'm now going to give you a role. Going to give you a role. As long as you are a member, you will be a member here on our channel. There you are. Would everybody please welcome Cherry in, a brand new lady. Most of our 99% are men on our channel. So it's lovely when we get a lady here join us. Cherry, you can now see all the private channels on the left-hand side. This is the broadcast lounge. There you go. If you want to call in and ask me a question live on the show, share links, share, ask the team. You can now access the broadcast lounge and call in to the show. You can now see all the exclusive members channels, and you can take part in our breakfast bar every morning. You can come in, share what you're doing, talk to the traders, have a cup of coffee, have some breakfast. You can see all the members channels now. There you go. Cherry, welcome in to the family. And I gave you all your other perks and benefits yesterday. There she is. Eric B is giving her a welcome, one of our moderators and members. Absolutely great. Welcome, welcome, welcome. And we're here to help you as much as we can all the time. Live 10 hours a day. Right. As we are on Rumble's homepage today, #1 finance channel, we want to have a look and see. Look at that. We've got a good audience there this morning. Thank you to all of you. Right then. We've got 111 followers now. Wow, we're growing very, very quickly on Rumble. That's really exciting. Right, let's go for our position right now. Here's the S&P. It's going down 0.3. Virgin Galactic, Virgin Orbit. Rumble, we bought Rumble last night. We took profits. We're waiting to get it back down again and add to our position. We are currently up 3.51. We would like to buy it lower. So we're looking at Rumble. Rivian. Rivian is down 1.23. It's not low enough yet. Tesla isn't high enough yet. We're going to sell 2 shares of Tesla off the top at 189. Apple, we're leaving it. Amazon, we're just holding it. McDonald's, holding it. Coca-Cola, J&J, Google, Microsoft, Walmart. We are seeing some drops. We've got the Walmart earnings. It's down now 1.29 over the week. Over the month, it's flat on 1%. We're hoping to buy some more tomorrow. In fact, on when is it? Today's Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday morning, pre-market, we're covering Walmart earnings, hoping to buy that on Thursday morning. Next year energy, our solar, doing well. We are still red. We're down 0.21 at the moment. Bitcoin is about to go down to 15,000. We're standing by that. Now then, Sensei Crypto, are you here in the channel? I said to you at 1:15 we would cover your website. So we're here to help and support you. Are you here now? Robinhood. Now then, while we're waiting for Sensei to respond, we have a newsletter which goes out every Sunday. We're giving away $50 in cash in our newsletter. Just by signing up for our newsletter, you can be in a draw. It's free to enter, free for all. There's the newsletter, martynlucas.com/links, and you can sign up for the newsletter and you can see all about the newsletter. All right. Information in there. We have giveaways all the time. We want to be the best, most honest, real YouTube channel in the world. That's our aim. For those of you who haven't yet followed me on Rumble, we're very excited about it. Here is our Rumble link. Also, I don't know if you know this, but I'm on Rumble as Martyn Lucas with my music channel. And last night I did a music warm-up for Matt Kors last night. That was interesting. There you go. And we're helping people make money on the stock market. If you want free stocks from Robinhood and you are in the US, there is the link to that. I will support you and help you along the journey as well. Robinhood, we're trying to buy it when it goes down lower. IonQ. Right, IonQ. We sold it right at the top last night. Right at the top. We sold half our position. Right at the top. It is going back down. We are still up 16% on the half that we kept. However, we do want to buy more when it goes down, but we didn't sell all of it. Yes, did you sell any IonQ yesterday? Anton, I sold it right at the top. Yes, and I said it was overbought, and it was dramatically overbought yesterday. It kept rising and rising and rising, and I set a stop trail order. The stop trail order would have cancelled as the bell rang, and I said I wanted to be out before the bell rang because of the volume and everything else. liquidity and so on. So I cancelled at 5 minutes to the bell and manually sold it right at the very top, only half my position, and now I want to add to it again. So I could already add it now if I wanted to, because it was up 21%. I'm now up 14%. So you can see how much swing that was. 21 to 15. So you can see that's a 6% swing. So if I buy it back now, I am still in a very good position because I've made profit from it anyway. So I'm just saving 6%. So I could buy it back now and add and double my position. I could do that, or I could wait for it to fall back a bit more. I'm holding my position if it goes up, and I'm going to hold money back for a drop. It might not go all the way back down to 16% down and be able to do that, but we'll see what happens. Anyway, let's watch it closely. Virgin Galactic, the S&P. Rumble, Rivian, Tesla, Lucid, Apple. Apple is going down. We're holding our position now. We're up 17%. Amazon, holding. We're up 11%. McDonald's, Coca-Cola, J&J. Let's jump to the other end. Meta, Ford, we're out of that. Gove, we're out of that. IonQ. This is what we're looking at. We're also looking to take profits from Tilray, if Tilray can pop up today. Now then, Sensei, are you here? Did you sell any IonQ? Let me see if Sensei is here. He's in the chat. Are you here? I want to talk about your website. We need to do it now because I promised I would. So I've got to do it regardless. That was weird. Why didn't that go through? Sensei, are you here? Are you here? There we go. That's gone through now. Tilray, can we take some profits from there? Now then, our sponsor is Sensei Crypto. He pays me $99 a month to sponsor my channel. And for that, I actually promote his business. But I don't do that for people that I don't believe in. Oh, thank you very much. Can I give you this tea, Leah? Thank you very much. It's red today, Leah, in the studio. Oh, the markets are down. My wife's looking at me going, oh, hello. So, Sensei does a crypto challenge. And we're on the crypto challenge, Legendary League Kennedy. I have no idea what that means. I keep getting people post in my Rumble account. Relish, this is now being seen by 20 different platforms around the world. YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, 36,000 people on TikTok, all over. And I keep getting people write the words Legendary Lee Kennedy. I don't know who it is. I don't know what the comment means, but there you go. Maybe I shouldn't share it. But anyway, a bit of fun there. So, Sensei sponsors our channel and does the crypto challenge. Now, if you want to tip a crypto live on the screen, it's martynlucas.com/tip. You can tip a crypto. It'll highlight your favorite crypto on the screen, and we'll talk about it for a few moments. And if you want to call in and tell me why you think your crypto is the best in the world, you can if you do a tip. Anyway, we are investing in crypto, but I don't have to worry about it. Ali Tizro tells me what to buy, and when to sell. And all that information is held on Sensei Crypto's website. So we're going to share that with you now. And if you'd like to take a look, you can. Here is Sensei Crypto's website. It's in the chat for you now. I'll give it to you over there on Rumble as well. There you go. If you want to go and check it out, you can. I'm going to share with you on the screen what it's all about. Now, Sensei will sit up 24 hours a day, and I'm not actually joking when I say that. He very rarely sleeps. He even told me the other day, I don't need to sleep, I'm young. And I'm thinking, Sort that out, mate, if I was you. That'll catch up with you. But anyway, he's young. He doesn't believe in sleeping. Anyway, this is Sensei Crypto's website. We're going to have a quick look at it. And this is it now. It's sensei-crypto.com. Now, what was the particular page you wanted me to share, Sensei? There was something specifically you wanted me to do. Let me have a look. Sensei said something earlier, specifically wanted me to share. And that is, I don't see it in the chat. What particular page? I think, where was it? Congratulations. I don't see in the chat specifically what you wanted me to share, but I will give a little look around. We've got the giveaway coming soon. In the meantime, join the Discord. We've got a giveaway. Check him out. Look, he's doing a giveaway here on his channel. Free content. Join our free Discord and mailing list. Looks pretty cool. Look at this. These are all the charts and these are all the things that he will do for you. So he will spend all the time working out what to invest in, what crypto to invest in, and all you've got to do is follow his program. Now, I never recommend or suggest anyone follow anyone. Always do your own due diligence. However, you might have no idea about crypto. Ali's had a lot of success with crypto and knows a great deal about it, lives and breathes the stuff, and we are on a challenge. Now, some of you are doing the $7,000 to $100,000 challenge. I'm doing the $1,000 to $10,000, and mine is much more conservative, taking less risks but growing steadily. Half of my $1,000 is actually still in USD, earning 4%. We haven't deployed half of it. Half of it we have, but the other half we haven't. And let me share with you on the screen. I will share with you my my crypto challenge. It's done in Coinbase. We think Coinbase is probably the safest place as it's a publicly traded company. We like it, so that's what we're doing. And let me share with you on the screen right now our crypto challenge. You can see my assets. Now, I can't share, obviously, all the assets because if I do that, it takes away from Ali's premium service, kind of defeats the object. Anyway, here is our crypto challenge. And if we scroll down, you will see, look, there, I've got half of my money in USD, earning 4%. I've got nothing in cash. There's no point. Cash doesn't earn me any money. Now, you might say, well, cash is safer than USD. USD could be depegged, but of all the crypto assets to hold, it's the most stable. All right. Anyway, I'll show you my first asset, USDC coin and XRP. We will share you that. I've got $190 in XRP right now. Now, you'll see that's a big part of our challenge, but it's all about when you get in and when you get out. We'll show you one more because there's no surprise. We have Bitcoin, but any more, you have to be part of Ali's service. Sensei is behind the stream. Then you need to click the live button and come up to date, don't you? You know all about that. Anyway, there is our crypto challenge. Anyway, we're very excited. Sensei, I would like you to be a moderator, please, on Rumble. We're growing very, very quickly. We're on the homepage of Rumble right now, and we are #1 for finance, which is very, very exciting. So, Sensei, let me give you my Rumble link right now. If you come on in, go into the chat and say hello. I want to make you a moderator. I also want to make our other moderators, which is the Queen of Self-Braiding, Mike, to jump into Rumble right now and let me upgrade your account. Very nice indeed. Okay, we've got 5 minutes to go before the bell goes. Let's get ready for the bell. Tilray Brands. We're trying to take profits from Tilray Brands. We can't do it at the moment. The markets are, we are still out of the money. We've lowered our averages, but the markets are red today. Here we go. 5 minutes to go in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There we go. We are 5 minutes to go, and we are looking to see if we can take some profits off Tesla. Baron Handley. Good morning, Baron Handley. Welcome to you. We're celebrating this morning. We've just made the homepage of rumble.com, and in fact, we are #1 on finance. Really, really quite exciting. Let me share with you on the screen. Look, this is this is rumble.com. This is like youtube.com if you think about it. And we've got Kim Kardashian at the top. Well, there's no surprise. All right. Scroll down on the homepage and you come up to the finance. And I was #1. I've just slipped back. Look, I'm here on the homepage, but I have just slipped back. That's because of the amount of followers that I have right now. Anyway, very, very proud of that. Very good. And there we are. I've just lost my top position. What's going on? Not got enough watching me. All right. Virgin Galactic, looking to get more when it goes to 3. Rumble, it's just very tight range of trading. Wow, great to hear. Thank you, Baron Hanley. Thank you very much indeed. Join me. And there we go. There's my link. Follow me there at the same time. And we're building that. Rumble, it hasn't gone low enough for us to add more. Robinhood, we're trying to take a profit. That's still going down, 4.9. Not low enough yet. 902 is my average. Tilray, just very tight trading. Enphase, up 3.74. 3 minutes to go. Sensei Crypto is sponsoring our bell this morning. We are ringing the bell for Sensei Crypto this morning. And we are giving away $50 in cash in our newsletter just by signing up for our newsletter. Remember, you have to verify the email. It will send you a verification email straight away. Has everyone signed up for the newsletter? Let me do a poll here in the chat. Let me do a poll. Are you, whoops daisy, can't spell, are you receiving the newsletter? Remember, it's free. You can unsubscribe at any point. And we're giving away $50 by receiving our newsletter. I would never share your email. It's a secure server. There you go. Are you receiving the newsletter? Yes or no? Oh, Microsoft just popped up. We've got 1.5 minutes to go. Let's see what we can do here. We're trying to take profits from Tilray. We're trying to buy lower with IonQ. We've got a 6% drop from where we were. We could buy back in at this point if we wanted to. But so I'm not just yet. Robinhood is still going lower. We're 902 down to 853 now. Here we go, down to the last minute. In 3, 2, 1. Here we go. The markets are red. We're also trying to find, we're watching our crypto, expecting it to go to 15,000 at any point, any moment. It could happen. Amazon's recovering. Apple's recovering. Virgin Galactic flights. No idea when. No confirmation yet. I talked to Virgin Galactic and very tight-lipped. Tesla, we're going down. We're 3.9% down now. Lucid, only worth 6. Walmart, we want to get that before the earnings. 2 days time in the pre-market on Thursday. 48 hours from now. Here we go. We're about to ring the bell for Sensei Crypto here in the studio. He's sponsoring our channel in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's ring the bell. I'm not quite sure why. I'm not quite sure what the heck happened to that. I'm not quite sure why I warped out of the place. That was a bit weird. No idea why that was. That's obviously some warping effect I've got on my channel. No idea quite what that was all about. Anyway, end phase energy dropping. Let's go through our positions. That was a bit weird why I warped like woo. Anyway, the overall markets is down 0.26. We know why, because the markets are still hot. We looked at the retail sales today. The S&P is down 0.32. Virgin Galactic, I'm not buying it until it gets near 3 again. We need to take some profits today. Where can we take profits? We're looking to take some profits, but we don't want to do it just anywhere. Rumble at the moment, it's going back down. That's why I sold half the position. I sold it at the top. I just signed up with Robinhood. I don't know what stocks to claim though. Right. Tell me what list it's given you. Tell me what list it has given you to claim, and I will tell you. Very excited that you've done it, by the way. Give me the list of stocks it has told you to claim, and I will tell you what the best value is of the stocks it's offered you. All right. How much did you win? How much of the stock did you win? $5, $200? How much did you win of the stock? And I'm very excited for you. Did you use my referral link? I hope you did. It hasn't come through. It normally comes through straight away. I hope you use my referral, because you're going to get extra benefit for that. Good afternoon, Craig. Good afternoon to you. Rumble going down. Right. We're watching it closely. The S&P is coming up, looking strong. We are still red in the studio. The markets are still down. Rumble's going down. We want to buy more when it goes down. It's up 3%. It's from selling half. Rivian is on the way up. We're also trying to take money from IonQ. Oh, IonQ has bounced back up again. Bounced back up again. Now, I nearly said I should buy it at a 6% swing. So that's why I remained in. Let's see. Is it gone back up to its high? No, I sold it at the top here yesterday. I think it could be a small short-term bounce. Let's see. I think it's going to bounce back up and then go straight back down again. Let's see if I'm right. I was right once. Okay. IonQ. We're watching it. Tilray. J&J. Down 0.37. It's not enough. It's not down low enough. I'm only down 0.74. It's not low enough for me to start adding more. Anyway, before I add more, I've got profits to take from somewhere. So, IonQ. I think that's a short-term bounce. I could sell my other half and wait for it to come back down, but I'm not going to, because I don't know what it's going to do, and nor does anybody else. So I'm going to hold my position just for a short while longer. SoftBank bought a huge bag of IonQ yesterday. That's probably why it kept on running. It was very steady rise throughout the day. I'm up 21% on it. I could sell my other half of IonQ. There's nothing wrong with that. Oh, it's running again. It's run around 6 million shares. It's running again. Okay, here we go. Now, if it runs again like yesterday, I will sell the other half, because, you know, stocks just don't keep going up and up and up forever. But remember, 21%, 22% is nothing to be sneezed at. I've taken a lot of profit from this company, and even if you buy it, even if 10 years from now it's $100 and then it goes to $120, that's still 20%. Doesn't matter the value of the stock, it matters the percentage that you've made. So we're running again. So I've got my other half to sell, and I will sell it. Rumble, time to buy. Let's have a look at Rumble right now. Is it time to buy? 941. I'm up 2%. I sold it at the top. I sold half at the top. Is it a time to buy Rumble again? Here we go. It's coming back down. I don't know if it's the right time yet. It tends to trade in a very tight channel. The earnings yesterday were more about where we're going than where we actually are right now. So I think there's more downside yet. I think you could get it somewhere around about the 860. In my opinion, I think there's another dollar in it. It's down 4.9. I'm still up 4%. But anyway, that's what I think. IonQ is running again. It's running again. Now, that's why I sold half. I remained in. Now, we're up now on my other half. We're up 25%. So, we could sell the other half now and then look for a new entry point. There's nothing wrong with making 25%. I actually think that's a temporary run. I don't see how we can keep going at this rate at the moment. I could be wrong, but we're breaking new ground. We've got our next resistance is 838. So we've got thereabouts $1 to go. If it broke that, well, then we're really in for a run. Who knows? I don't see it yet. The company are great, but they're not making any money yet. They're still spending money. It is a long-term investment, though, and it is the best quantum computer company to be in, and Amazon are investing in it. So it's not a bad idea. However, 25% profit is 25% profit. Nothing wrong with that. Okay, so I am looking at this now and thinking, all right, here we go again. Yeah, we are running. We are absolutely running. I think I will set a stop trail loss on it again and sell the remainder of my IonQ and then look for another entry point. So let me go into IonQ. I'll show you how I'm going to sell it, what exactly I'm going to do. Cherry, tell me the list of stocks that you have for free. How much money did you get as well to buy those stocks? So here is my position on IonQ. I'm going to set a buy order. Are we still red? Are we still red? The overall markets are still red. Yes, we're down 0.06. We might turn green in a few minutes, but we are still red at the moment. All right, so I'm looking at this thinking, is it weak? Is it overbought? Is it oversold? It's overbought again. We are running away quite considerably overbought again. I think we are running away again. If you look at it, I think we are in the overbought territory again. Very strong pump there. I think we could be in. This is a temporary run. So let me go back to it. I don't think I can set a stop trail loss on it. I could be lucky. It is running. It is running again. We're up 2.93, 25%. I've got 45 left. I've sold half my position. Okay, let's do it. Let's go sell. And we'll go a trading stop order. We will do that. And we're going to change it to an amount. Yesterday, we did it 10 cents. That worked for me. That's about the range of the movement at the moment. 10 cents. So it will sell at 7.50 and continue today. And I'm going to sell the last of my position. 44 shares. And that's my two halves sold. And if we go back to the position, you can see exactly why I'm doing it here. Because I think It's broken through that early resistance, but it's got another one coming up. It's coming up at 8:38. Who knows? Who knows? I can't see it. The earnings didn't speak to me and say, we're going to run and run and run. It's too early. This is great. However, I think it's time to take the second half. I think that's a good, strong bounce, but I think we can sell it and then look for a re-entry. At the end of the day, 25% is a very, very nice profit. Okay. I'm waiting to enter it. I don't want to enter it as it starts to dip. 259. It gives me a 10 cents drop. The moment I review it, this is what I'm looking at. Here it is. The moment I set it, it'll run from there. Okay? So we're at 2%. I think I want to see it go back to 3. Review. It's got weak. It's slowing down. It stopped its run. I want to see it run to 3%. Then I will fire it off. See, it's just giving it up. I said it was a temporary. I think it's going to go back down again. I think it's overbought. I'm losing it now. I'm losing it now. I could do it now manually. Yes, it's losing its gain. It needs one more pump, down 4, 5. That's a 5%. I want another percent out of it. 143, 138. I want one more percent, really. Otherwise, I'm going to just wait on it. Ali Tizro. There he is. Ali, I'm going to upgrade you now. Thank you very much for coming into Rumble. Let me get your name. And there we go. Copy that. And I'm going to make you a moderator. Oh, it's going up a bit more. Okay. We're watching it too. Moderators. Here we go. I've got Eric B. I want to add in Sensei Crypto. Okay, Ali, I've added you in. Thanks for coming into Rumble. I've just added you in. It might show straight away. I don't know. Ali Tizro, I've added you in. If we've got any of my other YouTube moderators, jump into Rumble. I'd like to upgrade you. 218. Okay, here we go. I'm about to 232. 231. I'm going to set a stop trailer order. Can you see it? This is my last half. I think it's weak. I don't think it can keep running like this. I might be wrong, but 2. $198. It's just given up a bit. It's a little bit weak now. It's not running like it was yesterday. It's very early in the day, but 191. I just want to see it at 2. 230 so I can get a 2%. That's where I want to go. Could it also be a sign of strength so it might stay or even go higher? At the end of the day, I'm happy with a 25% stock on a company that isn't making any money yet. Remember, if you can make 25% from a company who's not making money, you're making more money than they are. That's the way I look at it. 177. Damn it. I want that 220. 191. As soon as we can get back to 220, then I'm going to set the stop trail. So I know I'm going to sell it for 2. $218. I'm swipe. 232. That'll do. Swipe. Done. Order received. Order received. Order placed. See it? Okay, now it's running again, and we want to be in it. So, IonQ, we've got our last half to sell, and then we'll look for a re-entry point. So, here we go. Let's see if we can... I joined a member. Ali Tizro, what does that mean? I joined a member. I've got a comment from Sensei Crypto on Rumble this morning saying, I joined a member. I don't know what I joined a member. Not really sure. Anyway, I've made you a moderator. So you are a moderator now to my channel. There you go, as a member. Oh, yeah. Oh, I see. Right, there you go. Oh, yeah, the moderator's worked. There you go, it comes through straight away. Support you. Oh, fantastic. Did you? Oh, my gosh. Thank you very much. Well, Ali, you can grow on here with me as well. And you can be, you are a sponsor of this channel now as well then. So you get extra, the membership benefits by joining me on Rumble, I will bring across, at the moment, I'm going to call them, what's the word? What are you? Founder members. People that join me as paid members on Rumble right now get all the perks and benefits of YouTube at the top levels because it's a gift, because you're supporting me, so I want to go above and beyond promoting you on Rumble, and that makes a lot of sense, Ali, for you to do that. So you're going to get top level perks and benefits shared on Rumble. So if you are a sponsor level member on YouTube, I'm going to give that to you on Rumble. So I'm going to help you. Remember, I always say I always undersell and over deliver. IonQ, get in. It sold it. There we go. I knew it was weak. So we sold it at the top again. Right, fantastic. It's overbought, folks. You've got to take profits from companies. They're losing money. It doesn't matter how good, you say it's losing money. I'm making more money than they are. Right, okay, so we sold 45 last night at 743, and we've sold 44 at 744 today. So you can see, so we've sold them all. We didn't quite get we got 1 cent higher. And if I'd done it manually, it would have gone through perhaps, but I'm very happy with that. I am very happy because now I've got $434 in my buying power. I'd like to buy it back because IonQ is good, but it's the wrong time to make money on IonQ. It's the wrong time for long-term investing right now. That's a good point. You're making more than them. Exactly. Tia Roll said, yeah, that's a good point, that. Yeah, you're making more money than IonQ. Yes, I am. They're losing money. They'll make more money than me in the future. I'm pretty sure of that. And they probably pay themselves more than they pay me as well. So let's bear that in mind. The people that work there are probably on good salaries. Are you looking at CRISPR? Maybe a good buy today. No, I'm not, Anton. If you become a member, I will review it for you, make a video on it, promote it for you. And even if you give me a super chat, I'll actually buy shares in it and promote it. So if you want a video on CRISPR to go out, become a member. And that's one of the perks and benefits I can do for you as a member. So that's worth considering as well. Okay, there's the link. All right. Now then, we've got how many votes to our... We've got 50-50 for our newsletter. So there are 8 of you who don't want to win free money. Okay, fair enough. I don't know why you don't sign up for my newsletter. It's completely free. You can unsubscribe. And this Sunday, there's a newsletter, a giveaway sponsored by Ali Tizro, Sensei Crypto. And we're giving away $50 in cash. All right, there you go. There's a newsletter. It'll have tickets in there for you to win. There's the link. I'll give it to you on Rumble as well. It's free to enter, free for all, no obligation whatsoever. Right, IonQ, he sold it at the top again. Now then, has the overall market turned green? I am proud and happy to say, live on the studio, we've turned everything into a profit today. We are green again on the studio. There we go. The markets have turned green, only very slightly. But I'm going to live there for a minute. 0.01 in the green, and it's gone red. We enjoyed it. We enjoyed it for a moment. We enjoyed it for a moment. I did use your referral link. You did. Okay. It hasn't come through yet. I don't know if you funded the account or set it up with your bank yet. There may be that reason. Anyway, so how much money did you win? Because you said you're about to pick some free stocks. So it'll give you between $500 and $200 value. Tell me how much you've got, and then tell me what stocks there are to choose from, and we'll all have a debate here of which one you should get. At the end of the day, you should get the one with the most value and the most potential upside, and we will help you choose. All right, we will help you choose. But also, what we want is stability for your portfolio, not rash gambling. We don't do rash gambling. We're red again, unfortunately. We were green for the briefest of moments. So we've got money now. We've got money in our Roth IRA. Very nice indeed. And $434. We're going down. At the moment, here is my overall position on the Roth. It's down 0.74, but we took profits at the top. We've banked that. 54.7 was our all-time high, so we're $400 or so thereabouts off our all-time high, which is absolutely nothing, considering that we're just selling off this morning. Very, very happy with that. So let's have a look down our Roth and see what we can do. Amazon is up 7.26. Apple is up. Microsoft, we're being let down at the moment by, or Rivian's has turned green. Tilray, still selling off. Can't sell it yet. We sold our IonQ. We took profits. Very good. Rumble is still going down. We're about to buy Rumble with our profits we just made. Mullen is now down again. Mullen is 190. I'm not buying any more Mullen. No interest there whatsoever. A lot of interest online on my Twitter account, but no one really buying it. So I think we got an opportunity. Walmart, we want to save some money. We want to buy Walmart just before the earnings, and on it, should there be some disappointment, or not disappointment, but human reaction is what it's all about. You're investing in human reactions all the time. Rumble is getting better. Also, we've seen Robinhood take new lows as well. And Robinhood is a buy now. Let's go back. I've got some money here. We want to buy Robinhood. We're down 6% now. And that is worth buying because we are... Their quarter, always a bad quarter, first quarter for a stockbroker, because people aren't investing because of tax season, so on and so forth. And we're going to enter a bull market later on this year, and Robinhood will come back. So this is a good time, I believe. And we've got the UK thing. Yeah, we're at the bottom of its channel. We're at the bottom of its channel. There we go. Anytime now, 8:47. Anytime now, I'm gonna add some more. This is definitely a buy, Robinhood. So I'm going to go now into Robinhood and buy some more with the profits I just made. So here we go, and we will set a limit order this time. Let me share with you what I'm doing. The price is 8.48, so we'll go 8.48. And we've got 136 shares right now. So how many can we buy? We've got $400. We can buy 20. We can buy 50. We can buy 50, which will dramatically lower my average. I like that. That will lock me out from anything else today, but I like it. It's had a good sell-off after its earnings. I don't know if it can go much lower. There's some support here. Yep, I am going to buy that. I'm going to buy that. 50 shares, 8.48. Review the order. 1 more cent. Review. We're watching it, 8.48. I like it there. I'm going to buy it there. I'm going to buy it there. 8.48. It's got to drop 1 more cent, and you'll see it update on the screen. It's got to go to 8.47.5. That's basically the market makers at work now. 8.48. Let's see if we can buy a Robinhood at 8.48. Hope I haven't lost out on 1 cent. I could have gone 8.50 and had it here. I don't want to get greedy. I might have got a bit greedy there. I normally go 2 or 3 cents higher. That's right on the line. I bought it. I think it went through. Got it. Got it at 8.48. I like it. Okay. Okay, so 8.48. Now my average, I'm down 4.58 now. $8.88. We just bought 50 shares at 8.48. You can see on the screen there, 8.48. All right, I'm happy with that. So now we've lowered our average. We're done. The only thing now, let's see if we can take some profits from somewhere else to move to our next move. Excellent stuff. Morning all. I did use a referral link. Good. Here we go. Cherry said I received $5.80. Congratulations. I'm sorry it wasn't anymore. List of stocks: Tesla, Apple, Google, Facebook, J&J, JP Morgan, Walmart, P&G, Exxon, Chevron, Coca-Cola, McDonald's, Disney. All right. I would choose out of that option. Apple is extremely expensive, but it will pay you a dividend, so you just earn money. Google is at the top of its run at the moment. Facebook now is overbought. J&J will give you a dividend. It's a bit beat up right now, actually. J&J. I want to start your portfolio off in the most stable, comfortable, secure, great list of stocks. Yeah, J&J, I'm thinking is the best deal so far. JP Morgan, no. Banks, Walmart, no. A few days before the earnings. Chevron, Coca. I would spend $5.80 on J&J. And that's the reason why. One, it's the most secure asset you can buy. It's in the S&P, so you also get access to the S&P. You also get a defensive stock. And we are heading into recession. You're also earning a dividend. It's the best start to your portfolio. No question about it. I would definitely go for $5.80 of J&J. Out of that list, congratulations, you've won $5.80 for using my referral. Well done. I would absolutely do that. That would be my choice for you. What you do, of course, is entirely up to you. If you are more high risk and you don't care, Tesla, it's got the biggest immediate growth, but it's overpriced. J&J, I think, is the better value. It also provides the dividend, the security, and I think you need to build a portfolio with a foundation first before you start buying crazy stocks. Now, all of this, you might say, guys, some of you will go, it's only $5.80. $5.80 is a lot of money to some people, and I think it matters. J&J, P&G will give dividends every month, $1.30, $1.50 each. Yes, but not on $5.80. She won't earn $1.50, of course, because you've got to buy a whole share for that. But anyway, we'll give dividends every month. J&J, Coca-Cola, P&G will give dividends every month. Is that right? If you buy Coca-Cola, J&J, P&G, you earn a dividend every month. Is that right? In that case, I want some P&G then. I want some P&G then, just for the hell of it, because I want to earn dividends every month. Yeah. I don't know why the referral bonus didn't come through. It normally does. I'm going to check. Where do I go for referral bonuses? Pending. Oh, referral unclaimed. Here we go. Sherry, this is what I just won because of you. Here's $5 on us. You can use this money to pick a fractional share from America. There you go. Because you used a referral, I have won $5 as well. Yes, I've won $5 as well. So what am I going to choose? This is my my referral as well. So Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, Tesla. These are the stocks that you've got, and I am going to claim J&J because the advice I'm giving to you is obviously relevant to me. Now, everyone's situation is different, however, but I am going to go for J&J as well because it's right for me as well. So I'm going to claim J&J. There you go. $5 of J&J. Thank you very much indeed. Sherry, you got in J&J. There you go. Brilliant. There you go. Done. Invite friends. Yes, we want more free stocks. Of course we do. Of course we want more free stocks, but everyone's been invited now. Can't invite them again. Right? Anyway, there you go. Very good. If anybody hasn't yet done it, Leah Lucas has liked my stream. Excellent. Leah Lucas has liked the stream on Facebook. Woohoo! Thank you, Leah. That's my wife in the other part of the house. There we go. Invite a friend. So let me give everyone the link. There we go. So if you two want to get free shares like Sherry just did, she won $5.08. It could have been up to. $200, and I've seen it happen. We had someone win a whole share of Apple once. That was very exciting. There is the link there. And I'm going to give it to those of you on Robinhood as well. Sorry, on Rumble as well, because we might have people on Robinhood thinking, on Rumble thinking, I don't mind winning a free stock. I would love it. There you go. There is the Robinhood if you want to claim your free stock as well. All right, brilliant. Brilliant. Okay, so that was good. I've just probably lowered my average. In fact, have I on my brokerage account? Yes, I've lowered my average by the smallest amount, but I've lowered it nevertheless. So Cherry, that's what I have done. Yay or nay to J&J? Martin takes it all the way. Yes, I think it was the best value stock of all the free stocks today. I absolutely do. So that's exactly what she should have done, in my opinion. Yes, I got all three of them. P&G, look at the ex-dividend dates. Yes. So let me have a quick look then at P&G. Because in that case, I want to earn a dividend every month. And I like P&G. For me, it's a good company. Let's have a quick look at it. Duplicate. P&G. P, is it and G? What is the ticker symbol? It's not P and G, is it? Procter. Oh, PG. Obvious. I was thinking, can't fit P and G. That's not, anyway, ignore me. Okay, it's the top of its run. So it's not the best time to buy it, but that's okay. We'll go into the Roth IRA. We have $10. And what we'll do is we'll go into my Roth right now and we'll search for P&G. I want to earn a dividend every month. Absolutely. And that's the way to go. So I'm going to buy in dollars just as a market share. I call this a market share. And I'll go $5 because I've got nothing left. I've got it all invested right now. This is how you just buy $5 worth of P&G right there. Okay, so $5 of P&G, and you can now see I've got on the screen. I've just bought some Procter and Gamble. There we go. And the idea is now I've marked it. I can nudge at it every time it goes down. 2.36. It's a good it's a good company. All right. Right. Very good indeed. You got the 2 now. I always said I wouldn't bother with that, but I like the idea of. I thought all the lawsuit stuff was priced in. It is. I like MMM. They will recover. Says 3M. Do you mean 3Ms? Is that what you mean, Eric B? Fight Channel. Yes, I got all 3 of them, says Fight Channel. Yay or nay? PG. All right, a good buy, Martin. Yes, I think so. I think so. Anyway, we need to be making some profits again this morning. We've taken profits, but we need to be doing better. So let's go over now and have a quick look at what we can do. Where can we put some money back in our Roth IRA? Now, we might have to wait a day or two. We might have to wait. We might have to have patience because at the end of the day, we're only $350 off our all-time high. So we're doing quite well, actually, to be honest with you. This is my all-time high, and we're still red today on the market. We're hoping to turn green very soon. Let's go back and see where we can take profits. Ford, no. IonQ, bouncing back up again. We took profits from it. We want to buy it when it goes down lower. I haven't got any profits now. I've sold all my profits. With IonQ, we're looking now to re-enter when it goes down. Robinhood. We want to trim off the top from Robinhood. We've got a good position there. I'd like to reduce it to $1,000. That's where I want to sell it. I've got $567. I'm down $81. Average of $888. I think next quarter we're going to see it up there very easily. So I'm going to take profits from Robinhood probably in a couple of weeks. 2 or 3 weeks, we might get a little bit of a bounce. I don't think we've got much lower to go. So I'm holding that. I'm obviously not buying anymore. Tilray, very, very disappointing with Tilray. I added to my position to try and trim off the top. It's just not letting me. End phase. I am in the money. I could take some profits there. because at the end of the day, I've got a good brokerage position. So there's $1,000 there if I want it. I've made 2.73. T.O. Roll. Let me share your comments. When you check the long-term Coke chart, you can see there were also a lot of points where you could have argued, is it at the peak? I actually trimmed off Coca-Cola yesterday at its peak. And I heard Buffett also bought it at an all-time high before. That's fair enough. I agree. There's nothing wrong with that. Buying at an all-time high when you know it's going to go a lot higher, the reason for that is we could have a stunted term of growth. We may have had Coca-Cola for the last year or so grow a lot slower than it has in history, and it's got some built-up, pent-up growth in store. So it might be an all-time high, but it's hardly moved for the last year. It's like J&J. J&J is a perfect example of that. It's a stock that hasn't done much for a year, but it will soon. And when it does, you've got a lot of potential in it. So there you go. So Coca-Cola, there's nothing wrong with buying Coke at the top. Nothing wrong with that at all if you are in for the long term. Anyway, thanks, Eric B. Says Sherry. What did Sherry say? Did she get her stock? Buy 150 of each. Yeah, that's not a bad idea. That's a very good idea, actually, Eric, because that will then give her the diversity of J&J, Coca-Cola. J&J and P&G are the same. However, they're different. But yeah, it's a good idea if she does that. But remember, she can't do that. When you claim the prize on Robinhood, you have to claim $5 of a stock. She can't choose 150 of each. So, Eric, she can't do that. What she can do, however, is she could buy $5. In my recommendation would be J&J. That's the best value as far as I'm concerned. That's why I did it. And then in 3 days' time, when the stock has settled, she can sell the $5, hopefully to be up slightly because she's bought it on a dip. She might have made 5-10 cents perhaps on that $5 in a week or so. She could then use the $5, 10 cents she's now got to buy 150 of each, and then she will have 60 cents left over in her buying power to buy those 3 stocks on a dip. And remember, she can do that. Okay, with Robinhood, she can fractional share. That's what I suggest that Sherry did. I just funded $100 into my Robinhood brokerage account. Fantastic. Now then, Sherry, I strongly recommend that you go gold. If you go gold, like I have done, it costs you $5 a month. You don't have to, but if you go $5 a month and you've got money in the bank doing nothing, look at that. Stick it on Robinhood. You are insured up to 1.5 million, like a bank. Treat Robinhood as a bank. Put your cash that you don't need in here. That's my uninvested cash. That's my bank account. That's money I don't want to invest. That's money I can transfer back out of Robinhood at any point, and put back in the bank. However, I could just use my Robinhood cash card and pay my bills with my cash card anyway, if I wanted to. But look how much money I've earned in just 1 month. 1 month. I've earned $5.18 and $5.10. I've earned $10.28 on interest for doing absolutely nothing. Now I pay $5 a month, and I have earned $10 $5.28. So I am up $5.28. Now, by being gold, it gives me other benefits. It gives me more information. It allows me to trade more, a higher instant deposit, and blah, blah, blah. You might not need that information. You might not need level 2 data. You might not need instant deposits. However, though, I think it's a good investment to be gold for the interest you earn. However, on $100 a month, if you put in $100 right now, you're obviously going to pay more in gold than you're going to earn in interest. However, there are other benefits for doing gold. So you could argue, wait until you've got $1,300 in uninvested cash. Then at least you'd cover the gold payment with the interest. On $100, it will cost you to be gold. All right. Anyway, that might be worth considering. Okay. Another top tip. Bet you can't believe all these top tips, can you? Right. Let's have a little look. Read all the comments. Nice. Good luck, Cherry. So, Cherry, now you've done all that. If you got the newsletter coming out on Sunday, because you can win $50 in this week's newsletter. It's free to enter, free for all. Here is the newsletter, comes out on Sunday. If you've not received it before, it's because you've either not verified it or it's gone in your junk folder. You do that, you can check again by signing up for it again. That way you can check to see if it went in your junk folder. Anyway, we are still red. We've made money today. We've done well. We've taken profits today. We've bought Robinhood with the profits. Let's have a look. IonQ. See, I think it's weak now. I think it's weak. Popped up, sold off, back up. I think it's weak. I don't think it's setting up for an upward trend. I think it's setting up for a drop, and that's where I can buy it back. I've made good profit on that. 25% I made. I'm very, very happy with that. Robinhood is now starting to come up. I bought it again today. I bought it at 8.48. It's 8.43. It's coming back up now. As soon as I can make 5%, if it can go up, if we can have a swing of 5, if we can go up 5% from here, which we could do, I doubt if we will today. I don't think it's coming for a week or two. I can trim off. I can reduce it back down to $1,000. I can take a profit from the 500 that I've made, and I will have money to buy IonQ if it goes back down again. That is my plan. Remember, I always have 3 or 4 moves ahead. The worst thing you can do as an investor or a trader is trade with emotion, buy and sell all over the place with no real goal or purpose. If you're going to sell something, it's not because you've taken a profit. That shouldn't be the reason. Because you might make more profits if you leave it a month, a year, or 2. All right? So the reason for selling and trading isn't to take a profit. The reason for selling is because you're taking a profit to buy something else more attractive. That is the piece that people forget. They just sell it and think, oh, I'll just sell it. And then what do? The stock carries on running and you've got nothing to do with the money. Are you going to put it in uninvested cash? Are you going to put it in uninvested cash and earn interest because you think the markets are going down and you want to protect yourself? Do you want to do that? Don't just sell for no reason, though, not knowing what you're going to do with it. Anyway, Rivian, Tesla, here we go. Now then, we are 0.62 in the red. Overall, the market is coming up quickly. Let's see if this is our next bounce of the day. Let's have a look. We are down 0.14 overall. Are we going to turn this studio Green again. We need to turn green. I prefer the color green. It makes me feel better. People on TikTok are getting a side view of my red lights and they're feeling sick. They don't like living here in the streets of hell. They want to be in the green streets. All right. So we are $56 away from turning green. The Roth IRA is coming up also. 54.7 is the all-time high. Are we going to get there? Well, we could. We could easily get there today. Okay. Let's go back over and have a quick look. Lucid. Still not worth anything. Apple. Amazon. Plenty of profit there. I could sell all of my Amazon and take $695 away and put $6,000 in the bank. Earning 4.65 interest. Now, if I thought Amazon was at the top, I would do that. I do not think Amazon is at the top. I think Amazon, we're at 37% here, and we've got potentially 100% gain on Amazon over the next 2 years, in my opinion. So 4.65 is guaranteed, safe and secure. However, I think I'm going to leave my money exactly where it is. Get that green, Martin. I hope so. Get that green. What are you suggesting, Ed? Sell Amazon? 12.67%? Is that what you're saying? Remember, I don't sell any more in my brokerage account. I don't want to pay any taxes at all. I don't want to pay any taxes to anybody. All right? I want to trade in my Roth IRA. I want to make money from money. And my main brokerage account just sits there. And I'll take profits if I think a company is, done. And it's never going to go any higher. But other than that, I'm going to leave it. Anyway, Google having a nice run. Up 33% now. The same thing with Google. I think it's got a long way to go. Walmart, we're waiting for that drop. We want to turn the studio green any minute. Enphase. Dropping off. Bitcoin. Tilray. Tilray down 4.4. Robinhood. It's moving. Robinhood. Come on. Now then. We want to go back 186 shares. Remember the FIFO rule. First in, first out. We want to go back 186 shares. So we're going to bring up the calculator. Very, very important to set your numbers. Understand your numbers. Don't go selling thinking, well, I'm up, I'm making money. No, you are not. Let's do our numbers right now. So here we go. We're going to scroll back in history and look for the last 186 shares. So, 50 plus 20 plus 25. 50, 20, 25. Plus 10. Plus 40. Here we go. So, plus 40 equals... There we go. I'm just doing my calculator. These are the ones that will sell if I sell some first. So, these ones I've sold. So, 935. 935 is a real profit. A real profit. As in, if I sold 40 shares, which is what I'm looking to do, 935. 935. So, 935 is about a 5% swing, thereabouts, 935. That's where I want to sell. If I sell that, I've made profits on all of my stocks. Real profit. And 935 isn't too much to ask. It's around about here. Now, even though it could go higher, I can sell for 935, get those shares back out at a wash, make no profit at all, get the money back out, lower my position, lower my risk, and then be able to use the money to buy back again. Even if I don't buy back again, I reduce my exposure to Robinhood. We don't want to be over the top. So that's how I can make money, even at selling at a wash. So 935 is the number we are looking at to sell. Now then, I've got some guests just come in to Rumble. We're going to have a look at our guests here. Anal. Okay. It's got some strange name I can't read out. 5% thereabouts, 935. Sell at 935. Yeah, thank you very much. You're dead right there. 935. That's about when I want to sell. You're dead right there. I'm not going to read your name out, but on Rumble you can be anyone you want on Rumble. That's the point. 935. I will sell 40 shares. Trim back down. There's Rumble watching Rumble. Shall we see if we are still on the homepage of Rumble? We were number one for finance a while ago. Shall we have a quick look? Let's see. We ranked number one on the homepage of Rumble in finance. You can see Kim Kardashian is at the top here. Scroll back down. These are the featured lives. I'm not a featured live right now, but I am on the number one spot again. Number one spot for number one spot. I'm ranking number one again. Absolutely great. Look at that. Number one ranking again on Rumble. Excellent. Let's see how high I can rank up in the main lives. Let's scroll down. How far would I go down on the main lives? This is the main live channel. Yeah. If it only counts if you're on the first page. We're on the second page now. Hang on. Page 2. I jumped ahead too much. I should be on page 2, if anything. No. Page 3. Yeah. Doesn't count. Doesn't count if we're on page 3. There we go. No, we didn't make page 1 on the overall lives today, but that's okay. We made number 1 on the finance page. I'm happy with that. I'm happy with that. Scroll back down. There I am, and there you go. Number 1 of all the finances. Yeah, there we go. Very good. Thank you guys for joining me. We're live every single day up to 10 hours a day. Welcome to Rumble. Now then, we are trying to trade Rumble as well. If we go back down to Rumble, we took profits from it last night. We are 0.09 from turning green again. We are hoping to turn green. GDC, new high of the day. Congratulations to Cherry. She got free shares using my Robinhood referral, and she chose J&J. I think that was the right thing to do. I did that myself with my real money live on the show. So I agree. I think that was the best value stock right now. Sherry, this would be my tip to you. You're welcome. Just to give you some experience, some exposure, in 3 days, 4 days time when the stock settles. Remember, no matter how small the amount of money is, it's irrelevant. It's about the profit you make. If in a few days' time, when the stock has settled, you are up by 0.5%, 1%, sell your position for a profit, and then buy and then buy the 3 shares we talked about. J&J, well, you wouldn't sell all of your stock. You could sell like $3 of it and then buy P&G and Coca-Cola as long as they were on a good down day. My next thing I'm going to mention to you is, in fact, don't sell. I take that back, because I don't care if it's $5 or $5 million. You don't want to sell in a stock that you know is going to go up, you know is going to pay you a dividend in your brokerage account. Set your Roth IRA up. Because did you know, on your Roth IRA, we've just turned green, on your Roth IRA, and it's gone green comfortably this time, on your Roth IRA, you can get a 1% match. So if you put $100 in, they will give you $1 for free. Remember, it's money that you must be able to afford to leave there. If you put $100 in and you know you might need it out next month, don't do it, because you will lose the 1% they've given you and you'll pay a penalty. The Roth IRA is designed for long-term investing. However, it's the best place to day trade because you trade for free. In your brokerage account, if you sell within the first year, you pay the highest amount of capital gains tax. Everyone's tax situation is different. In the Roth, you pay no tax. So, for me, until you've maxed out your Roth IRA, which is currently $7,500, depends on your age. Mine's $7,500. If you're younger than me, which I'm sure you are, everyone's younger than me, it'll be $7,000. You can then put up to $7,000, which means they will give you $70 for free as a match. You will lose that if you draw it out early. I've got no intention of ever drawing out my Roth. I can if I need to in an emergency, but it's there to be left alone, okay? Put it in there. You will earn $70 for doing nothing. Free. Then buy your J&J, Coca-Cola, and so on and so forth. Do that. And then we've turned red again, folks. The lights are off and on today. And then you can then add to your positions. You can trade for free, tax-free. Now, if you've only got a small amount of money and you're not a millionaire putting $1 million in uninvested cash and earning Robinhood interest, you need to make money from trading. So you want to do that in your Roth IRA. You don't want to do that in your brokerage account because you'll pay tax on it. You'll pay 20%. What's the point? Do it for free. Get the 1% match. Just remember, as a gold member, if you are a gold member, you won't earn any interest on your uninvested cash in your Roth. You earn nothing. Whereas your uninvested cash in your Roth earns 4.65 if you are a gold member. It's less than that if you're not a gold member. I think it's probably 0.5% if you're not a gold member. So if you're not going to invest any money, just going to leave it, put it in your main account. However, you will get a 1% match on your Roth IRA. So that's what I would be doing. Virgin Galactic up 3.25. We're getting a nice rally. That was broken to me this morning by... remember, it's all about the percentage rate, not about the amount. That's correct. That's correct. Virgin Galactic, Queen of Self-Braiding, SPCE. Virgin Galactic news. Okay, we need to go to Virgin Galactic news now and see if we've got anything at all. SPCE news, that's coming out. Stock news. Anything today that's pumped the stock. That was... closer to take off. Virgin Galactic 3 days ago. No. Nothing there to report. Virgin Galactic is doing well. Is space stock going up? CNBC, Virgin Galactic. Virgin Galactic is an aerospace. Yeah, we know what it is. We want to know the news. Where's the news? News. lightning round is losing money, hand over fist, May 12th. May 10th, Goldman Sachs, Virgin Galactic, May 10th. Stick to their hold rating for Virgin Galactic. Hold. Okay. Goldman Sachs sticks to their hold rating for Virgin Galactic. That's good. That's good. They're saying hold it, not sell it now. Okay. Okay. Let's May 12th. This is a little bit a couple of days ago, but this is still important. All right, let's do this right now. We need to do a Virgin Galactic video. Let's have a quick look. We are now looking at the time of 2 hours 5. 2.05 SPCE. Let's go over to Virgin Galactic. We're still red overall on the markets, but our position on Virgin Galactic is looking good. Let's go over to the production screen and let's report on Virgin Galactic and share the news. Okay. I'll turn it green for the video. Breaking news here on Martyn Lucas Investor. Virgin Galactic, yes, we are green today. What's going on? Flights, information, we've got it all here for you, and a new rating from Goldman Sachs. I say new ratings a couple of days ago, but it's still relevant today. Very, very important as flights are imminent for Virgin Galactic. Now, it's a very, very weak pump, though. It will be dropped. It's not there yet. Have patience. It's a rocket company. Let's talk about Virgin Galactic right now. As always, smash the like button, and we're going to go over to that very important Goldman Sachs rating. This is my position. I'm holding a long-term position. On my Roth IRA, I'm trading it tax-free. I keep making money from it, and I can trade it as many times as I want without paying any tax whatsoever. Now, I said it was weak. It is weak. It can go all the way back down to 3 before it pumps up. Why? Because those who know will drop it just before it flies. That's only my opinion. That's the sentiment I get at Virgin Galactic when I speak to people. That's what happened at Virgin Orbit. That's what can happen at Virgin Galactic. So don't be under any illusion. Nothing goes up straight line. It will be $100 a share in the future, not because it's worth that, because of the way it will trade. The trading price is different from the value. However, let's look at the news and see why it's moving today. So are you in with Virgin Galactic? Are you ready for the flights? Well, it's getting closer, and as I said it would go down, it is just topping off. No surprise there at all. Let's go over to Virgin Galactic news. This is the news that I'm talking about, and I'm going to have to edit this because Goldman Sachs has just gone and dumped that on the screen. Bloody hell, really? I'll have to get rid of this in a second, so we'll try that again. We'll try that again. I'll edit the video there, and we'll bring you this news. Okay. Okay. Hopefully that won't happen again as I'm reading it. All right, we'll edit it right there. So let's go over to the Goldman Sachs opinion here, where they think the stock is going. Goldman Sachs analyst Noah Paponak maintained a hold rating. So it's maintained. It's been a hold before, but it's good that on the eve or the week of the flights, potential news coming out, we have got another hold rating. So this is why I long-term hold on my main account, but I am trading it on my Roth. Makes sense to take profits along the way. It's still a company that's losing money hand over fist, but to use the words of Jim Cramer, that is, you might not like to go on that. But anyway, Papanak covers the technology sector, focusing on stocks. Oh, what the heck? It's done it again. Right, what we'll do, we'll just edit this, and we'll continue with Facebook if we need to do this. We don't mind doing that. Just bear with me. We'll try that again. Continue as Martyn. Yes. Sign in with Facebook. Yes. Right. We'll try that again. Now I've signed up. Can I have it with no ads, please? Any chance of that? Let's try it again. London to Sydney in 2 hours with Virgin Galactic. That'd be good, wouldn't it? Okay, let's read this. Peter, if you've got that information, if you become a member, send it in the Discord and I'll add it to my videos and I'll use it. Do you have to pay taxes if you sell? Sherry, I'll come back to your question in a moment. Let me just finish this Virgin Galactic video. It's taken me ages to get it right. Okay, here we go. Poponak covers the technology sector, focusing on stocks such as Boeing, Embraer SA, and Bombardier. According to TipRanks, Poponak has an average return of 3.5% and a 49.71% success rate on recommended stocks. Okay. Currently, the analyst consensus on Virgin Galactic is a moderate sell with an average price target of $3.54. Unbelievable. I've signed up with it bloody 3 times. This is ridiculous. Continue with Facebook. How many more times? Flipping hell. I'm going to unsubscribe from you in a minute. This is ridiculous. Bloody ridiculous. Right, let's try that again. God, where did I get up to? This is ridiculous, isn't it? Try again. Currently, the analyst consensus on Virgin Galactic Holdings is a moderate sell with an average price target of $3.54, which is a down 11.72 downside with current levels in a report released yesterday. So let's scroll down and see a bit more if we can. There's nothing else there. That was rubbish. Absolutely rubbish, TipRanks. Not impressed with you. Keep doing that to me. But there you go. Well, bloody rubbish. Let me close that. It's one thing signing up, but it's another thing to keep dropping it like that, isn't it? What else have we got? What's new? Nothing new there. Oh, yeah, the lightning round. Virgin Galactic. Let me mute that site. I hope that didn't come through as audio and copyright my video, but we'll try. Hopefully it didn't. My gosh, you can't get around the ads, can you, on this? Lightning round, Virgin Galactic is losing money. Let me bring that into focus. One reason you might want to buy Virgin Galactic is on the lightning round with Jim Cramer. He said Virgin Galactic is losing money hand over fist. They're not losing money hand over fist, Jim. You know that. It does create good headlines, though, for your viewers. However, the truth of the matter is they're investing money hand over fist. They've sold the tickets and they are investing the money, building the rocket, building the infrastructure to make money. Losing money would be there's no chance of them ever getting it back, and they're setting fire to it and flushing it down the toilet. In my opinion, and looking at the balance sheet and listening to the earnings, I don't know if you get time to listen to the earnings, but I listen to all the earnings, especially Virgin Galactic. They're not losing money, they're investing money. They're burning cash investing. There's a very big difference, and you know it. However, it's a good headline for you. It gets people to watch your channel, I guess. Anyway, let's go back to our stock. We can see Virgin Galactic is now up very nicely indeed, 4.79. It is very green today. I'm not going to take profits on my long-term position. I'm only buying it in my Roth IRA when it's below 4. So I'm not in this now for the short term. I'm now in it for the long term. This is my long-term position. You can see there, I'm up 3.65 now. I'm holding this all the way up. All right. Now, if it goes to 30, 40 bucks, will I trim some? Yes, of course I will. Of course I will, because nothing goes straight line parabolic. Sometimes it does, but that's extremely rare. And when it does, it drops like a stone straight afterwards. So Virgin Galactic looking great today. We are giving away a cash prize of $50 on our show in our newsletter. If you look below the video, martynlucas.com/links, you can sign up for our free weekly newsletter, and in there will be some free tickets to win our cash prize. So make sure that you sign up for that. All right, Virgin Galactic. Until next time, take care of yourselves and each other. All right, and then right at the beginning of the video, I want to put this in. Virgin Galactic, watch to the end of the video. I'm giving away $50 in cash, completely free. You don't want to miss out that, do you? Okay. Okay. So you watch to the end of the video. Now I'm going to tell you how you can win the $50. All right. Okay, you got there in the end. Back again, been on calls. Now then, I've got to answer a question here from Cherry. Cherry asked me, Cherry said to me, do you have to pay taxes if you sell? Sherry, first of all, I can't give you financial advice. I also don't know your specific tax position. Impossible for me to know. I don't know your ins and outs of your financial world, and unless you tell me things on here, I have no idea. So I can't tell you. I don't know if you're a taxpayer. I don't know anything about your situation. However, generally speaking, if you buy stocks and you sell within the first year on your brokerage account, you will pay taxes, possibly 20%, short-term capital gains tax. If you wait 12 months and then sell, you will pay less. Okay? Now you might say, I've just bought Tesla, I've made $50. Sorry, I've made 50%. All right? You've made 50%. You'll pay 20% on the 50%. That's all. So you still made 80% of the 50%. So you've still made profits. It's not right to hold on to a stock which you think has made massive profits, which is going back down again just because you pay taxes on it. So don't be afraid of that. My accountant always said to me, I would love to pay $1 million in taxes. Because if I pay $1 million in taxes, it means I've earned $4 million. So there's absolutely nothing wrong at all with paying taxes. However, that's why we have the Roth IRA. And that's why the Roth IRA, you might go, well, why do I need a brokerage account then? Because a Roth IRA, depending on your age, is either $7,000 or $7,500 per year max that you can invest in. Whereas your brokerage is limitless. Okay? So it allows you to do that. So it makes sense to use the Roth IRA first. The only downside is you won't earn any money on uninvested cash. You won't earn 4.65. But you can make a lot more money trading and investing than 4.65. Otherwise, you wouldn't bother trading and investing. You just put it in Robinhood's bank and earn 4.65. Robinhood is not a bank. I just call it a bank because of the way I earn money. Just be clear on that. So what I do is I max out my Roth IRA and then I go to my brokerage account. And we're turning red again, folks. There we go. So I will share with you on the screen my Roth IRA. You can see it's maxed out. Here's my main brokerage account. Red and green, red and green. You can't make its mind up today, can it? It's like the flipping weather. We're green again. So there's my main brokerage account. Here's my Roth IRA. Now, the Roth IRA started last year. Robinhood introduced this service last year. Roth IRAs have been around for 1 million years, right? But Robinhood started it last year. And these are my contributions. I'm only allowed to put a certain amount in. Last year was 7,000. This year's gone to 7,500. Look, 2022, I maxed it out. I can't put any more money in. If I could, I'd put more money in here, but then everybody would, and there'd be no one would pay any taxes, and there'd be no point anyone having a brokerage account, right? So there's my maxed out position. 2023, maxed it out. I can't put any more money in here without paying penalties until January the 1st, 2024. So what am I doing? Well, I'm trading in the account, making money tax-free along the journey. And this is how I make money. I make money from money. I don't use margin. You can't use margin in a Roth IRA. And I make money from making money. Okay? I'm going to make a lot more than 4.65, which is what I would earn in uninvested cash in my brokerage position, right? So there is my situation there. Now, if you're wondering why I'm answering all these questions for Sherry, because Sherry is a member. If you are a member, I will answer all your questions. Members get priority. That's why you are a member here on YouTube. Okay, now then. Hey, I just got a follow on... someone just followed me on Facebook. Someone just followed me on Facebook. Thank you very much indeed for that follow. That's very, very kind of you. Or it could be a follow actually on... could also be a follow on Twitch as well. Anyway, thank you very much indeed for that. So there you go. Sherry, does that explain it a little bit? And we've turned red again. We're in and out of the red and the green today. You're getting all, it's like being at a disco, isn't it? Eric B. I use TurboTax. It is super easy to drop in the document Robinhood gives you. Tax account also has place to add the Robinhood document. No worries. My CPA does mine. I'm too lazy. I've got a CPA. I ain't got time for that, Eric. You got more time than me. Can you make a certain amount in the USA before have to pay capital gains? Yes, of course. That's what I said. I don't know Cherry's position. I don't know how much money she earns. Yes, you can earn money before you pay tax. However, I don't think that applies to capital gain tax. I don't know, and because I'm not in that position. I earn more than the minimum amount, the tax amount, so it doesn't apply to me. I don't honestly know the answer to that. But yeah, every country, at least Europe, UK, America, allow you to earn a certain amount of money before you pay any tax. Okay? Otherwise, you've got a guy working earning $1 a year who's getting taxed. Well, obviously, he needs more than $1 to live, right? So yes, you can earn money tax-free up to a certain amount. I don't know how that applies to trading. I don't know. I can't give tax advice. Okay? Any news from Virgin Galactic? We did report some news a few moments ago. Best Soft. Rewind the video. Well, there's a video coming out later on this afternoon about... it was fun to make it if you were here watching it. Anyway, so we've got a couple of things to mention. We're going to wrap up our show now. Here is our newsletter. Make sure that you've signed up for Sunday, because on Sunday we're giving away, there's a $50 cash prize in our newsletter to be announced, and only the people who get the newsletter will get the extra tickets to be in the draw. So everyone needs to sign up for the newsletter. There it is in the chat. I'm also going to give it to everybody on Rumble. Some exciting news today on Rumble. We made the homepage of rumble.com. We also became the #1 in the sector of finance. This is rumble.com right now. This is everyone that's live. If you scroll down to finance, I was #1. I'm now #4. I've been #1 and #4. There's a trader here with 10,000 views, a really big, let me see how many followers this guy's got. 264 followers. Yes, he's been going for a while, whereas I am, I've only been, yes, he's got 15 watching. He's got one more than me, but he's got 264 followers. However, this guy's sleeping on Bitcoin. That's good, isn't it? This is me. I am just one away from this person here. I was number one just a few moments ago. Anyway, thank you for all your support watching me on Rumble. Thank you ever so much. We're growing very, very quickly. Right, we are very much green again. The stocks are going up nicely. Virgin Galactic is now up 6%. 6%. We're getting a nice little rally here. Am I going to sell this? No. I am not selling this. This is my long-term position. If it goes to $30, yes, I will trim because then it's gone insane. But I'm holding my position right now. Okay, the overall account is up. The S&P is down today. We are doing nothing with it at the moment. We're not buying anything else. Procter & Gamble. In my Roth position. When it goes lower, we'll add more to it. And we'll start building a position. Virgin Galactic. I'm out of my main position, my trading position. I'm only in my long-term position. We're going to do day trader of the day in a couple of seconds. And for a little competition there. Rumble. We sold it at the top. We're waiting to buy it back again. Thank you, Jim. Jim Cramer, yeah, exactly. Jim Cramer covered it last night. Tesla. Sorry, I beg your pardon. Rivian. Tesla. Good. We are 2% out of the money. We're going to sell it 2 shares at 189 and bank the profits. Lucid, only buy at 6. Waste of time. It's going to go private, I'm sure of it. Apple, doing very well. My portfolio is now comfortably up. It's up 0.1. McDonald's, too expensive. Coca-Cola. I trimmed off the top, at the very top. Glad I did. J&J, rising now. Hey, Cherry, you've just made money on your J&J investment. How does it feel? Do you want to call in live to the show? You can do that via Discord in the broadcast lounge. You can call in live to the show. This is what it sounds like if you call in. Here's Alex.
Follow Martyn's The Day Trader. You got to be in it to win it.
These are the people that called in. You can also call in, or you can be on video as well, just like Kurt Wookert.
I'm Kurt Wookert Jr., and I am blessed to have been on The Day Trader. Please subscribe, watch everything. Martyn is being really, really honest with you guys. It's a killer thing. So check him out. You can check me out at CoinGeek.com and GorillaPool.com. It's been a pleasure.
There we go. Absolutely. Most honest channel on YouTube and Rumble. That is our aim. That's a big celebrity. That's Kurt Wookert. Came on our show and gave that testimony. Thank you, Kurt, for that. And good luck for everything that you do. J&J. So, Cherry, you made some money. You made some money. Fantastic. So in 3 days' time, when the stock settles, you could. However, J&J, in my opinion, is going to be over $200 by the summer. So, you know, sell it, not sell it, make profit. It's either way round. XELA, the Queen of Self-Braiding. Thank you very much for that tip. XELA, Queen of Self-Braiding, is looking at a stock right now. Google is up 2.35. Microsoft up. Walmart, we want to buy the dip. Tesco, Next Era, Enphase, Bitcoin going down to 15,000. Tilray is not being affected by the pump right now. We're getting a little bit of a rally. Tilray is doing absolutely sod all. Robinhood tried to come up around the $9. I will. $9.35. I will sell and trim off the top. We're not there yet. It will be there in a couple of weeks. It won't be there overnight. SoFi, IonQ, we sold it up the top. It's pretty weak now. It's not time to buy it. It's time to wait and hold. And we can get back in again. Right, let's do day trader of the day. We're celebrating now. We are up again, consistently up. We're up on the day. We're up on the week. We're consistently making money now. We're up on the month. We're up on 3 months, and we're up year to date as well. So this is a very, very good year. My new strategy works. We're happy. We're making money. consistently in a relaxed environment. That's what it's all about. Okay, so let's do day trader of the day. So first of all, one last time, if you want to win the $50, there's our newsletter. I'll give it to everybody on Rumble and everybody on and YouTube. If you've not yet joined me on Rumble, join my army. It's growing very, very quickly. We're up to 115 followers now. We are on the homepage of rumble.com. We ranked number 1 for finance a couple of times, so that's extremely great for me. I'm really proud of that. The fact that we've ranked number 1 most times now that I go live over the last week or so. Been ranking number 1, so it's doing very well. So thank you for that. If you want to also check out my music channel on Rumble, that's growing quickly as well. Here is the music channel. I'll give it to you. There you go. There's the music channel on Rumble. If you like to feature certain crypto live on the screen, martynlucas.com/tip. You can, for free, no gas fees and no sign-ups whatsoever, can donate a super chat in the way of a crypto tip. We are a money channel, so we thought we'd bring this service to you. If you do it on the screen, if you do that with that link, martynlucas.com/tip, you can then select from one of my thousands of QR codes, do a tip. I will highlight your name, answer your question. If you're a non-member, it's the way to get your question answered. And we can then talk about why you think that's your favorite crypto asset. Okay? If you are in the US and you've not yet claimed your free stocks, you saw Sherry this morning win $5.12 for free just by using my referral. Why wouldn't you? There is the free stock right there. And I got $5 and I spent it on J&J this morning. So thank you very much, Sherry, for doing that. Okay, that is it. Now, after the show, we go live. We are live there right now, in fact, on Twitter. We constantly discuss our stocks and shares, what we're doing, and so on. If you want to be follow me on Twitter, then that's where I will update my trades after the show, reactions to this, answer your questions off when I'm off air. There is my Twitter in the account there, and I'll give it to everybody on Rumble as well. There's my Twitter. If you want to answer me a question, and my followers are my members, I tag you in my viral posts. The idea is we all grow. David Galley has just followed me on, is that Facebook or Twitch? Let me have a quick look. I think that's Facebook. And just to check, it might be here on, no, actually, I think it's Twitch, actually. I think it's actually Twitch. It's Twitch or Facebook. Anyway, thank you for the follow. Really do appreciate it. Okay. We're consistently green now. We're making money. Let's do day trader of the day. We're going to do day trader of the day. Thank you, David, for that follow. Let's see who is up on Facebook. Thank you, David. David, thank you for the follow on Facebook. I appreciate you very much. Anyway, welcome to our channel. Lovely to have you here. Let's do day trader of the day. So I am up now. Surely it's Twitch. No, it's actually Facebook. It's Facebook. If you like or comment, it shares on the screen now. We built in that integration. It's really quite cool. Surely it's Twitch or Facebook. Yeah. Anyway, so I'm up today at 0.14, consistently up, which is what it's all about. Once the first person posts, we will call out the scores. This came from Turkey. I got a message on Discord from Turkey.
You should be always feel up, Martin. You're doing a great job, and the people around you, you surround yourself with the people like yourself, which is it's a lot. It's a lot, man. Like even like whoever in this moment listening this, like I'm sure like we all have our own things to deal with. But between these things, you're just giving at least a couple of minutes to feeling what we are feeling in here. It's a grateful, like I'm very thankful for that, and I'm wishing you all the best.
Thank you. Here's Ed Nevius.
I enjoy this so much. I'm on a lot of teams, and your content and your energy and your music, I love it. So I'm glad to be here. I love your content. I love your music. I love your broadcast. I'm so happy to be here. So.
Thank you very much indeed. Let's hear from Ali Tizro, Sensei Crypto.
You should definitely join the Day Trader. Join us, join the family. I'm very excited to be part of this family. We're going to make some money together. And Martyn is the most straight up person I've met so far. No chitter chatter. We just get straight to it.
Fantastic. Who else should we hear from? We've got the Queen of Self-Braiding.
I would like to welcome the new members especially, and I'm so proud of this family and your work. Well, especially this family has been so wonderful doing some work for Uganda. On behalf of Zach, I would like to thank you so much.
It's our pleasure, Queen, and we've got another fundraiser coming up for our friends in Africa. As soon as we hit 10,000 subscribers on YouTube, we can get super chats which go directly to our charities, and we're in target for that for the end of the year, and 1 million views in 76 days. And we're growing even faster now on Rumble as it happens as well. We're very excited about that. So we're looking forward to doing more fundraiser work. If we look now at how many people are watching us through the stream, we have had 160 through the show so far. We try and get 200 through the show during the show. 575, we've gained 1 subscriber here on YouTube. We've grew faster. We've grown faster on Rumble today for the very first time than YouTube. So there we go. Rumble has got a faster growth right now than YouTube has. And we've made the homepage of Rumble today. So we're not on the homepage of YouTube, I can tell you. So we are growing faster on Rumble right now. Okay, let's bring the scores. So I'm going to put a minute on the clock. Here we go. I am up 0.14. Crag is down 0.63. The Queen of Self-Braiding, I have Luna and Space up 4%. Only have 2 stocks. We can't count that then. Up 0.4. Congratulations. So Queen of Self-Braiding, is that a whole stock portfolio or is that just 2 stocks? Let me know. Or do you only have those 2 stocks? Let me know. And then we can announce the winner. It's either you or Sid. If you've got a whole portfolio, then you are the winner. No doubt about it. Okay, here we go. Just waiting for her response. And Eric B is down 0.76. So it's either Sid up 0.4 or the Queen if she has a full diverse portfolio. You can't have a winning score with just 1 or 2 stocks. It doesn't count. That's not how it works. Okay, Virgin Galactic just trimming off. No surprise. 405. Let's see if... I'm just waiting for a response. I'm going to give it to Eric because she's not come back to me and time has run out. I think she's only got 2 stocks. So in that case then, the winner today is from the Netherlands, Sid Arthur Barnhoon. How are you? Thank you very much indeed. Thank you very much for your honest trades. Absolutely great. And let's give him the sound effects. There we go. Very nice indeed. All right. Okay, we are done. Now then, we are back this afternoon for the closing bell. We are covering a couple of things to mention. We are covering Walmart earnings on Thursday, pre-market. If you want to get your ticket for the Walmart earnings, here it is. If you want to be the first person, I don't have only 2 stocks. Oh, there you go. So you would have won. You're behind the stream. You need to come up. You need to press the live button and come up to date. I'm just letting you know why the pump. Thank you. I thought it was only 2. I was waiting for a response from you. If you could make sure that you are up to date on the stream click the like button. Here is the link to the earnings for Walmart. I've given you the link there for the Walmart earnings. Okay, now also last night on my music channel, I did a special event for Matt Kors. It was the Matt Kors Rumble warm-up. He was talking to Chris Pavlovsky, CEO of Rumble. This was the video last night. It was a live event. If you've not yet seen it, this was it on Rumble last night. Here it is. And it was the Matt Kors warm-up. Okay, if you've not yet seen my warm-up show for Matt Kors, here is the video. It's on Rumble as well in my music channel, which is Martyn Lucas. But I'll also give you the YouTube link there if you want to go and check it out. All right, so hopefully you'll all go and check that out and leave a like and a comment. And I'd love to hear your thoughts. Did a bit of a warm-up show for Matt Kors. It's some music in my music channel. Okay. Congratulations, Sid. Queen's going, I only have 2 stocks. I don't have to. I'm way up. I should be getting the prize. Anyway, Lou Dirk. Loud work. Hi, Martyn. You have convinced me that the value you provide is top-notch and I want to subscribe. What is your platform preference? YouTube or Rumble? Well, that's getting more and more difficult by the day. If you are a real fan of the show, what a lot of our members are doing, they're watching us grow in both places right now. They watch me on YouTube and they keep a second tab running on Rumble. However, Rumble is growing faster. The only thing with Rumble right now is we don't have a... there is a membership plan where you can get extra benefits. I'm still working on the benefits right now, whereas on YouTube we have a membership plan which is better at the moment. So I'm honestly going to say to you, if I could choose, watch me with 2 different tabs. They are the same stream exactly, but it's worth keeping your eye on Rumble. We are growing faster on Rumble than we are on YouTube right now. So I don't have a preference. It's whatever is best for you. It's all about the viewer, giving them the best experience wherever they find it to be the best service. So my answer to you is, if you're doing it for me, then be on both. But if you want to do what's best for you, being on both is best for you, probably. Or you could look at it whichever service you prefer. All right. How are your music channel watch hours? 3,800. We've stalled at 3,800. YouTube is not promoting my music at all. It's very, very, very hard to grow. We're at 3,800. We're stuck at that point. But I'm still working on it. Congratulations, Queen. No worries. Thanks, Craig. Congratulations, Ed Nevius. Congratulations, Queen. Yes, thanks. But I already maxed out my Roth IRA at a different investment firm this year. Okay. Now then, Cherry, did you know for free you can transfer your Roth IRA from your existing Roth IRA company to Robinhood for free? I think, I can't advise you whether that's a good thing to do or not. It's not a bad thing. It's not a good thing. But if you like it all in one place, that's what I have done. I've got all my Roth IRAs here in one place. You can transfer it to Robinhood. So if you want to invest and keep it all in one place, you can. It makes no difference whatsoever. However, by putting it on Robinhood, you can buy and sell stocks every day. If on your other Roth IRA, you're just leaving it there, you're not taking advantage of the buying and selling in and out trading. There are people who have Roth IRAs who just leave them. And leaving a Roth IRA and doing absolutely nothing is easy and it works, but you're missing out on the opportunities of when a stock pops, like I just sold and took profits from IonQ. I bought the dip. Well, if you're just leaving it on some passive Roth somewhere, you're missing out on that opportunity. So my advice, and it's not, I can't give advice, but I would say send your Roth IRA over to Robinhood. I think that's a good thing to do. That's what I am doing. That doesn't mean to say it's right for you, but I can't see why it wouldn't be, because you can actively trade with us in your Roth like I do, and that would be the way to do it. And the fact it's maxed out is great, because that means you've got $7,000 to buy and sell. You might have an asset that's up today. You can sell it and buy something that's down lower. So that's what I would do. Anyway, XELA up 20%, says Queen of Self-Braiding. All right, I hope that answers your question. Right, we're doing very well. We're comfortably green now. Let's have a little look. The S&P is down. Procter & Gamble is up. There we go. I've just made profit on my tiny bit of Procter. I can sell it for a profit if I want to. Virgin Galactic is now up 6.75. Rumble. Rivian coming up. Nice. Tesla, not high enough yet. Lucid, no, not in it. Apple, not selling it. Amazon, not selling it. McDonald's, want to buy it when it goes lower. Coca-Cola, not selling it. J&J, not touching it, just holding right now. Google, nope, not selling it, adding when it goes lower. Microsoft, just holding it. Walmart, waiting for the earnings to buy the dip. Really want to buy it. Walmart. Tesco, only buy at 7. Next Era Energy, we are now flat on it. On my Roth, on my main account, I'm holding it for the dividends. Enphase has trimmed back a bit. Bitcoin down 0.33. Is Robinhood a buy right now? I just bought Robinhood. Yes, I added more. Tilray, trying to sell it at 260. Robinhood, yep, I just bought it. I've now got 11% of my Roth is Robinhood. I'm adding to it all the time. MSK, I think so. I'm very, very happy to do that. SoFi, IonQ. IonQ, we took profits. I think it's just now bouncing up and down from that point. I will look for a re-entry point. I've made profits on it. I'm very, very happy with my position there. So overall, as we end the show, we've carried on extended today because we're answering questions for our new member, Cherry. So let's have a look overall. Our main brokerage account is just green. It's very weak, but it's green today. The Roth IRA is down just 0.43, $59. That's all. And the overall is 54,439. We're 260 bucks away from an all-time high. So we're very, very good today. We've got a dividend of about $100 being paid next month. So that's going to be great next month. $100 coming in, which will go straight into my account, which I will not probably invest. I will leave in uninvested cash, earning 4.65. I've earned now $10.28 in 1 month doing it. So brilliant. And that will increase. And you earn money from the interest as well, because the interest becomes your money, and you earn money on you earn interest on the interest. Of course, that's how it works. Very good indeed. Okay, I think we're all done. I want to thank everyone on TikTok for joining us. Thank you so much indeed for being here. I want to thank everyone on Live Streamer Cafe for joining us this morning. I want to thank everyone on Rumble today. We've got our best ever audience today on Rumble. 18 watching me now, 115 followers, and we've ranked #1 on Rumble channel today. Really, really great. Rumble.com, I was on the homepage today. Very, very nice. Very excited. See a lot of potential there. Early adopters are always the ones who win, as long as the content is good and it's real and it's consistent and it's quality and you stick at it. The early people that were on TikTok are the kings of TikTok. The early people, Mr. Beast on YouTube, are the kings of YouTube. Now, I'm one of the early adopters for Rumble. Yes, it's been around for a couple of years, a few years now, in fact, but it's only now starting to get attention, and I'm trying to grow there as well. Brilliant. That's it. Has everyone claimed their free stocks? Everyone signed up for the newsletter for the giveaway on Sunday, $50 in cash. 58% have said no, they're not getting the newsletter. I can't understand why. It's free money. Anyway, throughout the show, we've been asking you to sign up for the newsletter so you can get the tips, the tricks, what I'm doing, where we're growing, the events we're doing, the giveaways. I'm going to ask you again now. After we've had the link for the newsletter running, let's see if it has changed. So 58% said no. So let's do it again. Now we've done now I've been running it throughout the show. Let's see if it's increased, or 58% has gone down in the nose. Okay, so end the poll. And we're going to do it again, and let's see if anyone has signed up during the show. Okay. Let's see if we've increased. Tell the truth, please. Are you receiving the newsletter? So have you now signed up? If you've now signed up, say yes, you are receiving it. And let's see if the no's have gone up. The no's have gone down. It was 58% saying no. Let's see if the no's have gone down. Let's see if that's made any difference at all throughout today's show. Okay, I'll also. I can't do the poll, of course, on Rumble. That would be impossible, right? It'd be impossible. But there you go. Enable slow chat, hide slow chat, and pop out slow chat. I just thought of something. I'm able to do that, aren't I? Yeah. Maybe I will. Okay. So everyone vote again. Let's see what happens this time. If you signed up for it during the show, how many people have got watching? And we'll end the show now. 22 of you. Okay, there's 22 watching. So if you could, I signed up. Okay, so vote yes then. If you've signed up or already, did you get the verification email? People think just because they sign up, they're going to get the newsletter. And there's always about 1 or 2% who don't. You will then be sent a verification email, and it will take you to the home. It will take you to the website and say your subscription was successful. If you've not done that, you won't. And let me share with you what it looks like. I will share with you. This is what it looks like. If you click on the newsletter link, you will then get an email back, which looks like this. Dear reader, we are pleased that you are interested in our newsletter. You haven't yet got it. Confirm the subscription. That's the email you will be sent back. If you did not receive that, either you didn't spell your email correctly or made a mistake, or it's gone into your junk folder. If you did, you get this reply, you click confirm, and on Sunday you'll receive the newsletter. However, on Sunday, if you don't get the newsletter, it may have again, because newsletters tend to go in junk folders. It's just the way it is until you whitelist it and say it's okay. It might have gone in your newsletter. It might have gone in your junk folder again. So if you've done that and you've seen this and done all this, then yes, you will receive the newsletter. Okay. All right. I was hoping we could quickly get everyone to vote. I don't know where everybody's gone. We've got 20 watching and only 2 votes. Can everyone vote, please? I want to go home. I'm already home. I want to end the show. All right. Twitter poll. Ask people if they want the newsletter. Well, I can't now, Eric. I've already done it. Good idea, though. Maybe I should have done it that way. But I've already done it now, so we're stuck with it now. Anyway, I'm going to give it 1 more second, and then I'm going to be out of here. So Procter & Gamble doing very nicely. I'm up 0.16. Virgin Galactic, Virgin Orbit, Rumble, Rivian, Tesla, Lucid, IonQ. I feel it's weak at this price now. SoFi, Hood, going sideways. I bought some more. Tilray, sideways. Until there's any news, there's no reason why it would go up. No reason at all. So anyway, it's time for me to go. I tried to get everyone to vote. I don't know where everybody is. Okay, we've got to go. So let's roll the credits today. Today's credits will be very interesting because we're now bringing in feeds from the different locations. So we should have a nice little credit screen today. It could be quite interesting. Let's roll the credits. Here we go. Let's have a little look at what we see today. The stars of my show today were, we got a donor, Sensei Crypto. He donated some XRP. The reason why it says $0 is because Coinbase don't trade it. That's why they can't give a value. But it was a tip, a nice tip from Sensei Crypto, who donated some crypto this morning, and we talked about his channel and all the rest of it. That was good. Then we have a few extra followers. We have some followers on that was Facebook. Public subscribers on YouTube don't get shown. Non-public subscribers don't get shown on this. And as yet, there's no engagement with Rumble, but hopefully that will come in time, and we can bring that into it. But there you go. There it is. Now then, we've done 4 votes. It's 100% now. So hopefully we've improved on it by sharing the links throughout the show today. I'm going to end the poll. Thank you for taking part. If you want to continue the discussion today, here is reaction to the video. Here is my feed right now. I'm live on Twitter right now. I don't know if you knew that, but let me refresh it. Can I fast forward Twitter? You can. How do I make it play? I've not done this before. Let me just mute it there. That was the Rumble. Oh, that's the Rumble earnings. That was last night. That's not what I'm talking about. This is what I'm talking about. There you go. There you go. This is, if you want to continue the conversation, go over to Twitter. Leave your thoughts and comments. I'd love to hear from you. But otherwise, that's it from me. I'm out of here. I will see you back later on for the closing bell. Have a wonderful afternoon. Take care of yourselves, your money, your crypto, and as always, most importantly, each other. See you back in a bit. Bye-bye for now.